Ready. What is going on, YouTube? Why are we both doing the same thing with our hands? It's just weird. Stop doing that. Anyway,
it's a military thing, bro. It's a military thing,
or a boss thing. One of the two.
One of the two.
Anyway, good morning, everybody. How you doing? Today is Wednesday. Today is FOMC day. Today's NVDA earnings day, which honestly is what I care more about than FOMC. But today it's about to be a banger of a day, which means I ain't trading until 10:30 because that's when the volatility of NQ decides it wants to calm down.
You don't want that smoke? You don't want that early morning smoke?
No, I don't. Not unless it taps one of my zones and I get what I really need. I don't want none of the smoke. I am broccoli free this morning.
That smoke was fire yesterday, bro.
It was fire. We missed a whole banger yesterday, but we still caught
yesterday.
We caught a lot though. I think I at least caught like 70 or 80 points on NQ yesterday total. But anyway, good morning, everybody. Hopefully you guys are having a great morning. Hopefully y'all are ready to trade these markets. Hopefully y'all have a plan. If you don't, Hobbs got your NQ plan. I got your ES plan, which is just Bray. So shout out to you, Bray.
So it's just you, Bray. Don't worry.
It's just you. So let's get right into these pre-market plans, and then we'll talk about the news, NVIDIA, and everything else going on in these markets. So I don't have much because the market really hasn't done much overnight on ES. I have a key level sitting at 4992. I didn't mark it, but that's pretty much our overnight highs on the day. And it's our previous consolidation range before the market closed. You can see we kind of just hung up here. The market tried to break. So I'm looking at this as kind of more of resistance than anything else. And if we can get back up there, I'm looking for the market to reject and come back down. Now, if we do come down, we have a 1 hour demand zone at 4965.25. I'm looking for that to hold. I need to see some type of consolidation. I need to see buyers defend, some sign of life saying that, hey, buyers, we are here. Our only problem with that is if we do come down here, that's breaking the low of yesterday, which will be unfortunate because that'll be another break. And unlike NQ, ES still hasn't broken over the previous high. So we have this high, and this high is still intact. It's still the queen of the chessboard, aka the god of this trend. So yeah, until something gets broken structurally wise from ES, we're still in this downtrend and it's going to continue. So yeah, I'm getting some like reverb. I don't know how, do you watching the stream on your end?
Yeah, I just turned it on, my bad.
Oh, okay. But yeah, so that's my plan on the day for ES. I probably won't trade ES again. I'll probably trade NQ. So shout out to you, Bray, for sticking with it.
Again, like ever.
No, again, like to I don't want to. Once I say it and it becomes permanent, then that's it. I can't go back. So I can't.
That's so not true. That's so not true. We've been dealing with you flip flopping for the last.
No, I can't. Once I say I'm never going back to ES, then it's like it's permanent, and then I can't. ES will shut me for life.
Stop dissing your baby, man. Dissing your baby.
Look, listen.
Just tell her you'll be back. You know what I mean?
No, because my side, I'm right now. My side piece is treating me really nicely, so I need to stay with her because my main ain't doing it for me. You know what I'm saying?
She got them cheeks, boy. NQ got them cheeks. Yeah,
it doesn't change. I can't. It's my side baby right now is turning into the main real fast.
Anyway, let's jump right into the actual plan that people came to see. You know what I'm saying? It's the side chick, baby. It's the side.
See, when he gets to talking crazy like that, when he started talking crazy about the side, he gotta go. He can't stay when he's talking crazy about the side chick. Okay. You're allowed to come back, sir.
Hey, listen, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, first of all, for tuning into the stream, checking out the videos, and I really, really hope you guys have watched the top-down market analysis plan, because when I tell you we are spot on so far this week, we are absolutely spot on. Everything that we talked about on Sunday is playing out picture perfect right now. So if you haven't watched the top-down market analysis video, I strongly suggest you watch it. I drop them every Sunday at 5 p.m. for Twitter and YouTube. And then with the Discord, they get it at noon, or they see me record it live. So after the consolidation, most of the night, sellers have continued the downtrend, but with buyers, and this is the key point, buyers strongly buying dips. I am of the mindset that this could be the last day of selling if NVIDIA sends the market nuclear. I'll add that if the FOMC minutes have something in it that the investors weren't considering, it could also send the markets nuclear or dump the markets. Today is all about NVIDIA and FOMC. Like, we're going to stay. I'm not going to say we're going to stay in this range because we could very well move. And that's why I didn't come with like range rules, right? I still came with a regular plan, but the context matters today, in my opinion, right? I think that fundamental analysis should not be poo-pooed, in my opinion, just because people don't buy or sell unless they have a reason. Algos are still controlled by people, right? The algo was built by a person. Therefore, a person will not buy or sell unless they have a reason to. So that's why fundamentals, in my opinion, are very important, and I don't fade them. So we have this 2-hour supply zone that was formed yesterday, right around 614 through about 674, I believe. Which in my opinion is going to be key for any rallies to oh shoot, I didn't see this right here. Sorry, it looks like we formed another. Actually, no, I'm gonna mark that, but it's not necessarily a 2-hour that I would like to trade off of. I do like this one though. Sorry, I'm analyzing my plan as I'm looking at it. Anyway, I'll just go what I have for right now. So my 2-hour plan, my 2-hour supply zone over here at 614. I'm looking at short week rallies. If we come back up to 17,614 through roughly about 17,674 and look to target 17,412 and then 17,36250 4-hour demand through 17,224. Understanding that there is a very tight range, right? Well, I shouldn't say very tight. This is a very playable range, right? This is really nice, but it's choppy. It's super choppy. It doesn't look as good as it looks on the 4-hour. It doesn't, right? Trust me, I played it in the Tokyo session. I won, but I understood the chop, right? So if you don't have any experience playing in the chop, I strongly suggest you either get some or stay away from it. All right, so to the bullish side, however, 17,362.50 through 17,226, we can look for buyers to defend here if we come down this far, right? If we come down this far, I expect buyers to defend. And then we can look to target first the previous day low or this 412 level, then the previous day low, and then all the way up to 614. Those will be my targets coming back up. Now, what do I think could happen? I mean, that's my pre-market plan, and that's what I'm going to go by if those levels occur. However, there's a little bit of a battle going on, right? That, you know, either the open is going to take care of, or we're just going to stay right here, right? And this is the chessboard that I'm looking to trade if the market just stays into it. I'm just going to wait till about, like Justin saying, about 10:30, or if I get something definitive, I'll trade that. But my plan is to wait till about 10:30 to see if we're still inside of this chessboard right here, right? If you don't know what a chessboard is, then you just got to join the Discord because I'm not going to give out that sauce on YouTube. But if you just want to understand, we're just playing inside of this box. We call it the chessboard, and we have reasons why we call it the chessboard. But again, you got to join the Discord for that. But as long as we stay beneath, it's kind of like yesterday, and we talked about it yesterday. I said, hey, as long as we stay underneath 724, I'm bearish, right? So it's kind of the same thing for me today. As long as we stay beneath 672, I think that it's safe to say that we can still remain bearish, but that doesn't rule out playing longs at these lows, right? Because these longs inside of a range, you're longing the low and then kind of shorting the high, right? You can see that the high is coming lower and the long is becoming shorter as well. That's why the range or the chessboard is becoming smaller and smaller and tighter and tighter. Eventually, it's going to squeeze to one side or the other. We just don't have that information yet, so we just play what's in front of us. So those are kind of my thoughts on the market today. I will be watching the VIX as usual. It's currently sitting at about 1560 on the day. I'll be using it, obviously, to kind of gauge the buyer sentiment or the seller sentiment on the day. We have this huge supply zone that we rejected up at 1585. Remember, if the VIX goes up, the market goes down. If the VIX goes down, the market goes up. It's just literally just the law, right? Like, if you understand the VIX, I promise you, you won't be disappointed by what the VIX does. So you can see that the VIX is also in a range, has supply above us, has demand beneath us. Therefore, if we continue to trade sideways, then you can expect the market to continue to trade sideways. As we go into the stocks on the day, it's kind of going to be the same picture, right? You look at Apple approaching supply, underneath previous day high, right here. And then you look at Microsoft playing in between the previous day high and the previous day low. No real participation, no real volume. And you see NVIDIA just straight flat. When was the last time you seen NVIDIA flat, right? It's because the buyers and sellers aren't interested just yet, because the one thing that the market does not like, right? The market is not interested in, and that is uncertainty. And right now, the market has a lot of uncertainty. It has a lot of expectations, but uncertainty is high, right? The expectations for NVIDIA is for them to add a record amount of market cap today, right? The highest market cap addition on record is Meta with 200 billion. NVIDIA's projected to go up 200 billion in market cap today. So if they beat, it's going to go way beyond 200 billion. And they're currently sitting at a market cap of, I believe, 1.7 trillion. So today could be the day that we send NVIDIA to a $2 trillion market cap, which in the history of the stock market, there's never been a market cap rise this fast in the history of the stock market. So when I say .com bubble part 2, this is the AI bubble. And if you look deep into NVIDIA, they don't just sell AI. Like they're into automotives, they're into everything. That chip is literally the lifeblood of the market, of our industry right now, right? Like NVIDIA's chip is everything to these markets right now. So if NVIDIA fails, it's going to take the market with it. But if NVIDIA succeeds, it's going to be bigger than Apple, right? I'm just going to put that out there right now. If NVIDIA succeeds, it will be at the rate that it's going, and the projections that they have for NVIDIA, because I did a deep dive into it last night. NVIDIA will be the biggest Mag 7 stock of them all. And that means that it needs to get to a 3 trillion and above, and it's already at 2 trillion in less than a year. So yeah, I'm just giving you the facts. All right, so let's move on. We got Meta in the same range from previous day low to previous day high. Google, same thing, flat, previous day low, previous day high. Amazon did some weird stuff yesterday. I'm not gonna lie, this was super weird. I tried to check the news to see what happened, but only thing I could find was Jeff Bezos sold $8.5 billion worth of the stock, but somehow the stock rallied at 4:30 p.m. $3 in the after hours and continuing to rally. So maybe there's some more news. I didn't really dig deep. I just went into what TradingView had to offer. So when I say I looked it up, I literally just hit the menu button and looked at the first news that they had. I don't really care, but at the same time, it's something noteworthy. So that's an overall breakdown of everything that I'm watching. I'm not seeing anything significant on the tape as well. It just feels like it's going to be a really tight range day. So I'm just mentally preparing myself for that, but at the same time, looking out for opportunities as well. So those are my thoughts on the market today. I hope that helped you guys. Let's get into these comments, Justin.
Before we get into the comments, gold real fast has a kind of a nice setup potentially. We're in this 1 hour supply zone. We sold off from it yesterday, and it looks like today we could potentially be putting in another lower high here to sell off again. Just some extra plays, just in case the rest of the market's not really moving. Definitely check out gold. Gold might be a winner on the day. I know some people in here trade gold as well. That, and then real fast, let's just take a look at the news. So y'all can see, where the hell's my news tab? There it is. Forex Factory. All right, so today is Wednesday. Great Britain had their CPI. We got Great Britain also had a speaker. Let's see. Today's Wednesday, right? No. Oh, what? This is the 14th. This is not the right week. All right, here we go. Oh, that's it. FOMC. That's it. That's all we got. 2:00 FOMC. But we also there's a speaker as well. There's a speaker at 1 today. Bowman speaks at 1, and then at 2, the FOMC meeting minutes come out. And actually, come to think about it, even though this is a yellow folder, you might want to be a little bit careful around 1 o'clock because this is in such close proximity to the minutes coming out. What he says, people will probably be hinging on his words to see if there's anything they can pick up for this event here. So just be careful if you're trading in the afternoon. I know in the Discord, once we get off here, we've been eating in the afternoon. The afternoon session has been moving really, really well. So just be careful. Just be aware that he's speaking during that time. And then obviously, we got the GOAT NVIDIA which Hobbs just talked about, and those earnings, man, that's gonna be something. I mean, I think we should definitely degen a micro for NVIDIA for sure.
Oh, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm gonna look at the structure and I'm playing the NVIDIA earnings here.
Yeah, I think I might degen along with you. But Bray's in the building. Bray says, "Good morning, y'all. Good morning, Bray." Lou, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Laughing at us. Void in the building says, "Good morning." Said LMAO, "Hey, yo, that was funny. Thank you for lighting up the mood. Took an L earlier for not following my rules and paid for it. Hey, man, it's all good. It's all good. First off, I appreciate the fact that we could light up your mood a little bit, but you know, L's are part of the game. All you gotta do is just remember, if you don't follow your rules, you know what you did wrong, and next time you gotta follow them. I know I was not following my rules yesterday. I was getting case slayed by the market until I started following them. Twice is in the building. What's good? Bray says, always been better at checkers. Me too, Bray. Me too. But
checkers is quite simple. Right, I was trying to make it a little bit more complex than just, hey, move this board over here.
No, listen. So
Justin probably took my chess analogy and turned it into a checkers analogy.
I didn't. But see, if we're being honest, right here, this is the red piece and this is the red piece. Which red piece means more? I don't know, because it's checkers. They all mean the same thing.
Well, this is why we went with something a little bit more complex, like
It was a joke.
I know.
Boy says ES has the most beautiful queen, though. She does. That's the main.
She does. That's the beauty of it, is like you can turn it into whatever you want, right? Like you can say, you know, kings and queens or whatever. Yeah, I've already marked this up in the Discord. I hope y'all paying attention to my tape screen.
This selling is getting quite interesting. I was not dancing like a nerdy white girl. I was just playing around. Bray said it was put into the Dow. What was put into the Dow? Morning, Micaiah. Good morning, bud.
Oh, he's talking about NVIDIA. Maybe
NVIDIA got was NVIDIA put into the Dow? Really?
Oh no, unless he's talking about Amazon. Because remember I said Amazon went up by $3. Maybe they added it to the Dow Jones.
Oh yeah, Amazon. Braces Amazon.
Yep. Okay, that's what it was. Very cool. I didn't know it wasn't in the Dow Jones. Stupid me.
I don't know what's so is it now the Dow 31, or did they have to take something out to put it in?
Okay.
No. Pause.
Yeah, did they add it? Did they add another one, or did they take something out and add it Amazon? Which is crazy.
Let's see.
I thought Amazon would already be in there. I don't know why.
Oh, okay. No, they took something out. They replaced Walgreens.
Okay.
Yeah, replaced Walgreens. Yeah,
Walgreens don't need to be there.
They dumped Walgreens. Hey, real talk. I feel like Walgreens is going out of business. Like I really feel like they should.
I just don't understand their purpose, other than like picking up my prescriptions. I don't even go there for that. But that's the only thing that I know people go to Walgreens for, or to get those passport photos. So it's the only thing I've ever gone there for.
Did Walgreens stock drop? Yeah, we're ready for the we're ready for NVIDIA and FOMC. Oh my god! First off, QWERTY, that's the devil's number. We don't say that around here. That's bad luck. Second,
he said,
okay.
"Oh my god."
355. All right. I feel you. Let me come back up here for a second. Bakai says, I think 752 will sweep at open. Where's 75?
I like 674 to sweep it open.
752. 74, 752.
All the way up
here.
Yeah.
You think all the way up here?
I think we sweep similar to what we did yesterday. I think we sweep all of this liquidity all the way up to, just my thesis, right? Like it don't have to work out, but I think we sweep all the way up to like 630, maybe like 644 through about 673. Similar to what we did yesterday, but we'll see.
He thinks we're sweeping to the downside. He said he meant 452.
So
to the downside.
Yeah, I mean that's possible too. That's possible. It looks like a sweep right now. It looks like we're definitely catching some sellers.
You want us to sweep the low of day from yesterday? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that could happen. That definitely is a possibility.
Yeah, I want us to go down and test. What I want to see happen is something similar to yesterday, where we went up really aggressive, got everybody super bullish, and then we come down and sell off all day, coming down to that 362 area around FOMC time. Either way it go, I'm gonna try to stay away till about 10:30 because I'm with Justin. If this thing opens up crazy after being straight congested last night, like I'm gonna just wait. I'm just not in the mood. Especially like when I play the PM session, I realize how well I trade in the PM session. It just makes me feel like PM session was meant for me. London, I trade really well. Tokyo, I trade really well. PM session, I trade really well of New York. The morning session of New York is just unnecessarily volatile. Like I just feel like it's so unnecessary to be so volatile. It's like, gosh.
I think for me in the AM session, like I think what happened yesterday was just a missed opportunity, and I like going back and looking, I was like, dang, like that was the opportunity. But I think that's the only way that I'm trading the open is if it's near like a higher time frame zone for me that I have a little bit more confidence in. When we're kind of like in no man's land, kind of at the bottom of the range, I would just rather not trade it unless something like really sticks out because it moves so quickly. Like you have to make a decision really fast, and I don't know. It's a lot of stress. I just rather not. And like Hobbs said, the afternoon session, once we get to about 10:30, 11, that's when price starts to get a lot more clear for the picture. I just rather trade it then. Then it says they tired of those huge receipts. Who? Walgreens? Walgreens is tired. I don't know. I mean, Amazon might as well be Walgreens. I mean, they do the same thing, except for you can't. But pretty soon you'll be able to get prescriptions from Amazon.
Hey, I was about to say, can't you get prescription from Walmart already? I mean, from Amazon already?
I don't know.
I think they deal in prescriptions too. What doesn't Amazon sell? Like
Amazon's about to start selling cars too pretty soon. Yeah, like which is actually really really good for us because
he turned into the internet Walmart, bro.
Internet Walmart.
He said Walgreens. That's why they got booted. Well, I need Walgreens to go away for life. I don't even every Walgreens I see they get taken down. So
yeah. But yeah,
whatever happened to Rite Aid? Remember Rite Aid?
Yeah, we about to start saying that in 5 years about Walgreens. Whatever happened to Walgreens? I'm short 5'11". Yeah, that's a good short. I like that short up there.
Oh yeah, I had that area marked. I don't know. I just don't like taking a short this close to open. We like 5 minutes away, but you're so far away now. You're probably good.
Yeah, it looks like we're breaking down a little further on the tape.
Hey Makai, you still got those 300K accounts, or are you trading just 50Ks now? Just out of curiosity.
Because he knows it.
I am being nosy. I'm just wondering.
You always in somebody's business.
I just want to know, but. You know what though? With those 300Ks, okay, just 50Ks, dope. Yeah, with those 300Ks, the only thing I'm mad about with Apex with those 300Ks is that they charge you so much to get them funded. You know what I mean? Like they ask you to make so much money on those things. It's like, yeah, by the way, it's $300 to fund. It's like, wait, what?
Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
Oh, nice. You got six of them. Let's go. Trying to pass my second 50K this week. Let's go, Bray. What are you using? Top Step or Apex? And then me and Hobbs are having an argument behind the scenes about take profit. I just want to say, F take profit. Take profits can suck my. No, I'm playing.
First of all, we're not having an argument about take profit.
We are having an argument about. We're having an argument about take profit.
Don't make me put the argument out here while your wife.
No.
Okay, then. All right.
I don't need all that. I don't need all that. But
okay, because you know I'm right.
But I think I'm gonna snag a take profit.
No. Shut up. You good. Okay.
Hobbs may or may not have won this one, and he's 1,000% right. So.
I'm like, you want me to make this public?
No. You're good. Leave it alone. Shut up. Bray said Apex. That's what I'm talking about. Makai said I'm up 6K on one of my PAs. Let's go. Took 2K on the 15th. We'll take again on the first. Let's go.
Let's get it.
Yeah, them 50Ks are a lot easier to get to the payout than them 300Ks. What do you need, like $7,000 or something just to take out profit from 300Ks?
Yeah, but once you get above $7,000, you can run it up and then you can request 2,700.
I'm just I just feel like if I get a 300K account, like I'm going 10 minis all day long and I'm gonna blow that thing in like 30 seconds.
Facts. Oh, 7,005. Yeah. Yeah. You basically need to be in at least like 3 or 4 minis.
Nah, I mean, you could do it with 2 easily, honestly. Like 2 minis is plenty. You know what I mean? Like 2K a day on 40. It's 40 bucks
true.
a point.
That's true.
Yeah, you got a $3,500 drawdown. Like you make 2K a day. I mean, you be done by the end of the week. It's easy.
You got
to
more
make
than
2K on 2
you got more than
You give me that type of drawdown.
Wait, all they give you is 3,500?
Is it 35 or 5,300, Micaiah?
They got to give you way more than that.
I don't know. Let me look real quick.
They got to give you. Yeah, they got to give you way more.
I think 35 was the 100K. Let me look. I can look.
I feel like they should give you like a $5,000 drawdown, but that might not make sense. I think you may be right.
I think it may be 5,300. They changed up their website now, so they're trying to hide everything. Let me see.
Which also don't make no sense. Like, it should be upfront. I really need to slow my roll. 300Ks are the best PAs in my opinion because of that drawdown. I actually think that the 50Ks are the best because they're closest to the 1-to-1. Because you got to make 20. You can lose 2,500, but you got to only make 3,000. So that's the closest 1-to-1 you're ever gonna get. I think the 50Ks are probably the best. That's just my opinion, though.
Did they get away with the 300K?
Oh,
here it is. I got it.
Because that's got to be a cash cow for them.
Threshold is 7,500. Daily drawdown, none. Scaling, none. Oh, this is rhythmic. Where's the regular one?
It shouldn't matter though. The drawdown should still be the same regardless of whether.
Oh, it's 7,500. I'm so stupid. I was looking for drawdown. Threshold is the number I'm looking for. 7,500. Bro, for real, right? Wait. I just said all of it. It's 7,500. So your drawdown is 7,500.
Yeah, okay. He literally answered our question, which is why he answered again because he said it right here. I just
yeah, my bad.
Okay, 70. Yeah,
that all wrong.
But because the profit target is like what, 20K?
Yeah, it's 20,000. But if you're using 2 minis, right, and you just stay in 2 minis, if you're trading the same way we're trading right now, I mean. Yeah, your growth is exponential. Like you shouldn't have to worry about the drawdown as much because I mean it's $7,500. Like you have to be trading. You're trading big size if you're down 7,500. Like you're trading like 5 minis, right? If you're trading 2 minis conservatively, and you got 30 days to make 20K.
That's true. Yeah, because if you'd be risking like what, $400 per trade, maybe. Like
yeah. I do like the drawdown. I just think that they're expensive, and until like I feel more comfortable with it, like I do agree with you. I think the 300Ks, especially at 90% or 80%, I do believe that they have the most value. It's just you have to be mentally disciplined to get into them, right? Because at that point you're spending some big cheese, right? Like 60 is $657 a month. 80% off is probably what, like $200 or something like that. Nah, this is Apex. Take no.
Yeah,
I said the regular amount, so it's $650 a month, but it's it's usually 80% off though. So
that's a good point, Micaiah. The problem is if you have mixed accounts like a 300K and a 50K, it requires you switching your mindset with the sizing.
Exactly.
That's a good point. But at the same time, though, I mean, you just got to play the size that is appropriate for that account, but trade the exact same way. You know?
Yeah. I mean, at 80%. At 80%, it's only $131, so that's really not that bad, honestly. And for that much drawdown, that's actually pretty good. So,
but for the 300K account, though, I would pay for the monthly. I would never pay for the outright. And here comes the market.
When you get funded, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh God. God.
Eat on that short. Eat on it.
Let's see what we do here. All right, market's open, ladies and gentlemen.
We coming down. We just broke through. We just broke through the low of pre-market, and we're continuing to drop now. So see what happens. What time frame are you on, good sir?
15.
No.
Yeah, I'm just watching the tape over here now.
Yeah, I made a supply zone. I was hoping we got a little bit deeper into it on the way up there, but we didn't. But
yeah.
Yesterday's low. Yeah. That's what Micaiah was talking about, and yeah, I like it too.
To long it, yeah.
Here comes some pretty strong buying right there. That could have been a really quick scalp. Yeah, normally when we get that first,
getting that lack of buying right here again. So
we get another test. Oh, hey, Valdez knows that very well from yesterday. That's why he's saying that. He's saying that because of yesterday.
He got PTSD. He said it looked good, and then it'll just tap you out.
Well, but normally we get that drop, and then we'll get one more attempt to go lower, and if that fails, then we'll start to push back up. So this could be that second attempt right there.
Sheesh.
Yeah, I'd have to see that on a lower time frame.
Jonathan said, yeah, that was this green box is holding like the Hulk. Oh my God.
Yeah. Yep. We got the sweep he was looking for, just not as low.
We almost got there. We just missed it.
1, 2. Okay.
Jeez. Oh, black. Bro, I'm not touching this early. I've seen this movie. Justin, what do you keep saying?
Oh, I was looking at the bubbles. There's a lack of. I was saying lack of buying, lack of selling. Sorry, I was looking at the bubble sizes. Black. Yeah.
I'm like, what is going on?
I was counting my bubbles. Leave me alone. Count my bubbles. Count. Gotta get my booblet together.
You get this mofo tested. He might be on the spectrum.
I'm not on the spectrum. I hate you. And on the 15-second chart, we had a nice inverse head and shoulders right there. That
the 15-minute looks good, man. This box is holding really nicely. I just have zero desire to participate in this volatility this morning. I don't want no smoke with this market just yet. I want to let it settle. Ooh, look at all of this selling coming in.
Yeah, I was about to say this could be a nice opportunity for a quick scalp to the downside.
Oh, Jesus. Look at that.
Of course, I switch it and then I miss it, but yeah, it was nice.
That was that break of structure right there, guys, and then we pop back up into that high. I'm just not interested in the trade. I think this could very well come right back down, but this is the trade that we planned out, that I was planning out, or at least designing here, right? We came up. I said, wait for need to break a structure and then this retest. This was the break of structure, but we were at the lower of the range, so I wasn't interested. And then this is the potential retest to take this market back down. So we'll see what happens. Good trade idea, just not. I'm just not messing with it.
You took about this?
I'm not touching it. I saw this movie all through Tokyo where the market just kept trying to sell off. Yeah, all through Tokyo and London. I was like, I think we're coming down, but
Tokyo, London.
Done for the day. Good job, Black Beauty Machine. Good job. Yeah, I think we come down to about 412, and then if we start to sell, we're gonna come down. We're definitely coming down to the 300s today. If we start to sell the 3 and 200s, if we start to aggressively sell, I'm just not touching it until we at least break through the PDL. Right now, it's a fight right now. I think it's coming down, but still a fight.
Yeah, we're consolidating here. We might make another leg down, but what I kind of want to see is us push back up and retest this high one more time and see if we spot any weakness up there, because we consolidated up there for a second. So either this is about to be a lower high being put in, or this is going to be a failure to go higher, and then the true dump will come. So I'm watching price here. If this continues to push, then I won't take anything. But I am interested in shorting the market potentially here. Just need to see a failure of this retest. Okay, we got the candle. All right, I'm gonna try a short here. Could be a little early. Looking for this to break down below here. Come on, dump. Dump below. Yeah, I need to see this dump below that consolidation right there, or we're coming right back up. Come on, dump. No. I'll cut this if we start to come back up. If this doesn't reject here, and then we start to push back up, I'll just cut it. But that was a nice failure right there. See if we can continue lower.
Another failure. Just need to break through those lows.
Yeah,
like
we just need to break down here.
Yeah, I like
Come on, go.
Quick
No.
buy, selling done. Scalping that shit. Give me I know, right? Get in and get out, bro. I don't want no part of this. None. Hit it hard.
All right, we're coming back up. All right, I'm out of that trade right now.
Bounce.
I got out. We're holding that low right there. I don't like it. So
YM got no mercy. was YM. I think we're on our way down. I think
we're on our way down too.
Zero desire to trade this. I'm gonna let the market kind of develop and do what it wants to do.
I think we're on the way down, but I didn't like my entry, and I don't like how we're holding
coming
this,
for the win. Yeah.
We're holding that low down. We're holding this consolidation right here, and now we're coming right back up.
Week CE I'm watching.
Look for it again.
I just think as long as we stay above the previous day low, the market's going to continue to try to push up.
That could be true too. This is the third test of this area.
We're at the low of this range. That's the main reason why I don't want to short this, because I feel like if the market's gonna push up, it's gonna push up from here.
I'm seeing weakness again on the tape though.
I do too. I see. I got a rectangle box, and every time we tap that box, we keep selling, but we're not going lower. We're not going lower. And I'm like, I've seen this movie before.
I tried it one more time, but I'm about to get stopped out here.
It's right here. Give me a second, brother. Are you long into there? Let me stretch it out. I still like. It looks pretty normal. It looks potentially normal here. Mm-hmm.
I got in a little too early on that short. That's unfortunate.
Yeesh. I need us to break it. I need to come below it first. But that was nasty. I want I want the long, but I'm willing to give up the short to take the long. Does that make sense? So I'm willing to allow this to come down to 362 because that's where I want to long the market, because I want to take it long, but I'd rather have the market come down to fresh demand, right? Like let these sellers win out up here and then come down to fresh demand down there at 362. That would be my ideal trade. Or I'll let price come up back into the 600s, right? And then I'll look to short it back down. But
yeah,
right now
just continue to hold this area.
It's just consolidation chop, and I don't want any part of this. No part of it. No, man. Yeah, and then look at the 1 minute, Jay. We got that. We getting that potential inverse head and shoulders on the one shoulder being at 48725. So it looks like we're building value to go higher, and we're at a low of the range. So my bet would be on the bulls up here, but the bears are definitely defending that high.
Yeah, they do not want to give this up. We continue to yeah, it is.
Yeah, see, I just think the bulls want this more. If they squeeze all of these buyers out, they're gonna go right to 614, which is what I want to happen. It's just a chop fest. This is exactly what I was seeing in the Tokyo session. That's why I'm being so patient, because I'm like, if this thing is going to be a repeat of the Tokyo session, it's just going to be like, get in, get capped, get in, get wrecked. Over and over and over again. Look at this. Chop City.
I think ultimately we're coming back down one more time to potentially test that low.
Yeah. What was you saying, John? I didn't hear you. Right up here. That's that box. You see how they're squeezing? The sellers are trying so hard to put pressure on the buyers, but you see how every time they come down to this sweep here at 493, they can't break this guy down here, but the buyers can't break through 513 like you were saying. So I think if you're gonna short it, say again, brother. I don't know what those are.
No, they don't. Those are like the sweeps are the icebergs or whatever to show like the hidden orders below.
Here we go. We need to break 493 in order for these sellers to get rewarded. There we go. There's the
yeah,
break. There's a
I
drop.
did take the short. I've been in the short for a little minute, waiting for this thing to break down because I figured we were going to break down and test the low one more time.
Yeah. And now let's see if we can cut through the. Oh my God! Yeah, this is extreme selling. Good kill count, Jay. Good kill count. Just make sure you're securing profit at those lows.
Oh no, I'm definitely securing profit.
Or at least locking it in, because if they flip this, they're gonna flip it at the low and come right back up.
I think if I start to see some buying here, I'm getting out.
Yeah, this is a good place for price to flip here.
I'm out there. We could potentially we might come back down, but I secured. I don't like it down here. We're really volatile and we're pushing. I just need to take profit where
I think this is a good area to take profit. If you're gonna scalp it, if you're gonna scalp it,
no. I'm not.
He don't play minis until the PM session.
Yeah, I'll play minis during the PM session. I'm just playing 5 micros right now because it's so volatile.
I'm in the same camp. Like I'd rather play micros to start the day, and then as we get into the PM session, that's when I'll put more risk on the table, just because this session is just so volatile. Let's get it. You know what I mean? Well, once you start to really trust your rules, right? You expect to win every trade, right? You expect to win if you follow the rules. The minute you don't follow the rules, you feel naked, right? And that's the way I look at it. I think you might have let that go too soon, G.
I might have, but I'm okay with it though.
I'd be okay with it too. This thing's coming down.
I'm perfectly fine with. I did not want to sit through that. Maybe if I wouldn't have lost 2 trades, I probably would have been more apt to hold it. But I was like, just give me my money. I'm back to being green on the day.
Did you take it, Joe, on that retest of 5110 or 510 or okay? Facts. That's kind of what I saw. What was happening up there? I didn't trust it. I was more apt to believe that. I was more apt to believe that the buyers would have taken over, but I'm completely okay with this sell-off.
Yeah, we kept making lower highs up there, and I was like, well, if the market can't break up any higher, I know we're making we're not making higher lows, but I was like, I did let this go a little too early, but it's all good though. I'll have another opportunity. I don't care.
Chasing 1 minute closing, trailing down. Good job, Micaiah. Good job, Justin.
Good job.
Void.
Good job.
Let's
get
get
it, everybody. Looks like we're gonna come down and test this low from yesterday. We're continuing to push down. Looks like there's a good amount of liquidity down there though, but it's hard to tell because of them stupid orders. Oh, okay, yeah, 40, 50. You see that, Hobbs? There's like 91 resting orders sitting down there.
Yeah, it's like 112, and they're adding these bulls. Previous day low. Yep, good call, Joe. Good call. Yep.
But I like your theory of an inverse head and shoulders here. If we can pop up potentially.
Yeah, I think this is still forming an inverse head and shoulders if they hold the previous day low, like Joe's saying. Yeah, I just want them to sweep it. Just here it comes here.
Yeah, I was a little early. It's all good though.
Yeah, I still think they want. I still think Bulls want out of this.
Yeah, see, maybe we can. Oh yeah. I really like the idea of sweeping.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting on. Like if we sweep the low
at 450, I like that idea a lot. Actually.
Or we come down to 362. That's what I would really love. That would be my ideal trade, but
that's pretty far down though.
Not for NQ.
I mean, that's true. That's true.
That's a freaking Tuesday.
We're getting some strong.
Nah. My thought process is I'm waiting until about 10:30 anyway. So my thesis is it should take about an hour to come all the way down there anyway. If I see something I like on the way down, then maybe. Exactly. So I'm kind of looking for what we did yesterday where we pushed down aggressively, or we went up and then we pushed down aggressively and we put in a new low, right? So if we get below this previous day low, which is what I'm expecting price to do, then I think we push down to 362.
Hey, nice trade, Micaiah. Good hold. I think next time instead of being in my entire position, I think I'll scale out. That's what I should have done. I should have scaled out a little bit there, and then just held my runners, and I would have been able to capture more of the move. It's all good though. I'm not tripping. Just something that I need to remember. The volatility is so fast, and the market moves so fast right now that it kind of like it just kind of made me a little bit too jumpy, and it probably shouldn't have. Yeah, I was ready to get out. As soon as I saw a green candle, I was ready to get out. I was like, but yeah, it looks like we're coming back down to retest this low. This 1 minute candle looks very, very juicy to the downside. Let's see if we can't break this low. Yeah, with all this selling that happened last night, I would like to see us come back up.
I'm looking at this totally different. I'm looking at it like I just want to see us sweep this low so we can come back up. But these sellers are aggressive. Oh, is that what you said? My bad.
Yeah, I said I would. Yeah,
I think I heard
so
you,
with all this. Yeah, so with all the selling last night, I would like to see us come back up. All right, there's that sweep.
I'm gonna try it short right there at 461.
Short or long?
I'm gonna try it short at 461.
Okay. All right, we just got the sweep. We just got the buy up right there. Yeah. We didn't get a very aggressive like sell down from that. But there's new buyers potentially in the market. We're holding that nicely. There's a nice push up. We're getting a nice CVD divergence right there.
I'm out right there.
I'm gonna try longs.
I still think we need to break through some structure first before I'm interested.
I'm in the early long. So this is the early Valdez special entry. I might break even though. I'm keeping it tight too. I was in at 59 as well. I already can't lose on the trade, so it can do what it does now. Love to see this push out. Come on, catch a body. Catch a body. There it is. Let's go. Let's go, Valdez. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's go. We just got to get above this high right here. I'm selling 3 contracts there. I'm holding on to the rest as runners. Come on. Get your ass up. Come on. I'm gonna move this up. Well, I took 3 up at the top. I took 3 up at the high. All right. Yeah, I got out. Let's go. Yeah, I got out at the high for 3, and then I just tried to hold the rest, but it didn't quite work out. It's all good though.
I'm just not seeing the buyers take control. They're trying, but they keep failing.
Yeah, this was almost.
And I think this is the. I just feel like this is
shoulders.
This is an inverse head and shoulders, but we didn't break the structure. Instead, we double topped up there. So
yeah. I said it was almost.
Oh yeah,
almost. Well, I'm done for the day. Got to bring out the abacus for the test. Okay, good job, Makai. Good job. Bring out your abacus, bro. Bring out your abacus. All right. Scalps are looking nice right now. We're holding this low right here.
There we go.
See if we break it.
There we go. I'm short from
the body.
66. I'm short at 66. My target is that low down there at 412.
Yeah, as long as we break down below that low right there, it's gonna print. Oh, I still like the longs down here. I'm not gonna lie to you, just based off of what I'm seeing on the tape. If we get a buy up here, I might try another long. Yeah, I don't see no green bubbles yet.
Yeah, man. So, I don't know what Justin looking at, but
I'm looking at buyers yet. I know I haven't seen the buyers yet either, which is why I didn't take the market long.
He got more color on his. Y'all switching up.
he got more color. He got something special we don't see. What he got? What he got that we don't know about?
It's trying.
I did take
break. So
I did not take this market long, but
I think we're coming down. I think we're coming down.
I don't know.
We just have to break the low. We keep making lower highs. Yeah. Man, they are. The tilt is at 52% right now, so we'll see.
For
Top Step X tilt is at 52% long. Oh, they came and got me. All right.
Hey, look, man. I saw what I seen on the tape. That's all I'm saying.
I see the green bubbles, Jay. Yeah.
When I said this could be the long, but
I'm still about to say.
I seen what I saw on the tape. All right.
Nice. Good job.
I didn't take it though. I didn't take it. No, I didn't take it.
I thought you said you got long.
No. I didn't. No. I didn't take it. I said the long could possibly be there, but I did fade him. I just didn't fade him in real life.
You didn't even.
The green bubbles weren't there yet. Y'all over here talking about. Well, I don't see the green bubbles. So it is what it is.
You didn't even believe in the green bubbles.
I believe
still think we're coming down.
Potential.
As long as we stay beneath the 80, I think we're still coming down.
They can't. I think they still struggling. This is still a potential short here.
Yeah.
Well, we're consolidating though.
We broke we broke a low, and now we're consolidating, and I think it's to go lower.
No,
yeah, 1030 is where I'm looking for the longs, but right now I'm still looking for the shorts.
At 1030, the market normally calms down a little bit with volatility, and then it's a little bit easier to read price action once the market kind of calms down.
Yeah, we put in another lower high here, so they tapped me out. I got back in. Yeah, I made $10 on the trade. So yeah. Man. Jeez. Bro, they squeezing. They like, bruh. I'm at the high though, so you gotta come get me.
They want to defend this low level right here. They're trying to defend yesterday's low.
We're just not putting in a new high. Like I just feel like this is consolidation. Yeah, I just feel like it's consolidation to go lower. But if they come and get the high, they can get it. I'll take the loss. I'm cool. I'm on these Top Step X accounts anyway to start the day. That's how I like to do it.
Yeah, I started on my Top Step X account that I'm down on.
Yeah, because I just don't care about them. Like if they get funded, they get funded. This is bad.
I just look at this as practice.
Yep.
I think I'm 2 for 4 on the day so far.
Right? He's gonna be talking to himself like you're not gonna just keep putting me out here like this.
Yeah.
I'm not taking it. He said, "You're not gonna just keep teasing me like this."
I don't know what to make a price down here, so I'm just gonna stay out of the market here. I don't know what to make a price. I guess we're probably not gonna come down there again if we break this high. If we break the high at 475, I don't know if we're gonna come back down to 458.
Just take me out, right? Like, thank you. Oh God, just take me out, Lord.
They
Jesus.
so hurt. They so hurt.
I'm not even mad. I'm just like, bro, just stop playing. Put the high in.
Nah, I know y'all not bad. I'm just saying y'all hurt because it's like it was playing with y'all. Hit when that happens too. It's like a tick away. It's like, man, just take me out already.
We had our stops at the high, so it's like, okay, if you take the high, you take me out. I'm cool with that. But dang, just do it already.
It took too long for that move. Makai says 1100 on the day across all PA accounts.
Nice, brother.
I expect the rest of this day to be slow until FOMC. Yeah, we should start to slow down here in about the next.
I think that was huge.
Minutes.
That was huge that we held that previous day low.
They needed to do it. They needed to do it.
The price had to hold that low right there.
Mm-hmm.
That was huge right there.
They got it though. SB in the building says, "What do you think NVIDIA will shot profit or long shot profit?" Okay,
yeah, I think they're gonna murder the market.
Profit.
Today. I think it's gonna go.
Profit.
It's gonna go crazy, in my opinion. Let's put it this way: me and Justin are gonna do some DJing stuff after hours. We're gonna play one micro in one direction, and my direction is gonna be long. Put it that way.
Yeah.
I don't care what anybody's doing. I'm gonna long this market. Yeah. Something's getting done today.
Yeah, I think NVIDIA's going nuts.
All right.
Like Kevin Hart. Damn. Zenith says 5 BPR for what's BPR? What's a BPR? I don't know what that means. You know what BPR means? I don't know.
No, I'm still over here looking to short this market. I know y'all gonna call me crazy, but I haven't shorted yet. I'm looking to do so.
Yeah, I don't have enough structure to the downside in this area to try to short it until we get back up to like 510. I'd be looking for longs.
Yeah, this is kind of what I expected on the day, but I'm definitely still entertaining shorts up here.
Yeah, we're retesting the previous area right now. Yeah, so this could be the next leg up for the longs, or it could slide back down.
Yeah, but it's just it's kind of like my macro plan where it's like we're coming down, but you can clearly see the buying, right? I'm risking $2.50 right now. I'm short. I don't. I'm so scared to be in. I'm so scared to short the market though. I'm like, nah, I don't want to risk too much. All right, I'm in profit right there. Nah, I'm in profit $20, bro. I'm good. Let this thing do whatever it wants to do. I just think we're coming down, bro. There we go.
And then we push right back up.
You gotta be kidding me, bro. All right, I'm still in. No.
Uh-oh.
Bro, like,
y'all fading these bulls. I don't know why. Y'all fading these bulls. I don't know why y'all fading these bulls. Y'all here.
No, I was definitely not sure, but I'm still bearish up here, bro. I'm not bullish up here. I'm very bearish. Until they get above the previous high, I'm very bearish up here. But I'm not willing to put a lot of risk on the table. He said, y'all keep fading these bulls up here. I'm fading them, bro. I'm fading them. They coming down.
I don't know.
The Bulls went down, bro.
And the bear. Oh no, wait. The Bulls want no.
I mean, the
Bulls
Bears went down. I'm sorry, the Bears went down. It's another lower high being put in right there. Look at that close on that previous 5-minute candle. That junk is bearish.
I know,
That
which is keeping me from the.
Bro. You say again, brother?
Oh yeah, we did.
Yes. I agree.
That's a good point.
It was a close. It was a close in favor of the sellers, though. That's all. All right, I'm back in again. Break even again. I'm at 77 this time.
Shane says observing today will be ample opportunities for Thursday and Friday. Yeah, I agree. I'm taking the rest of today very slow.
Again, in profit again. Let's just stay down this time. Just stay down, Rocky. Stay down.
You see all the stress on Hobbs for $2.50 that these Bulls do not want to give him. They don't want to give him nothing. I'm going to stay out of this market for now.
Okay, all right.
I'm going to enjoy watching Hobbs $2.50 gain.
No. That was $20. That right. I was up 100. It came back so fast.
He could buy a soda. I love this energy.
Look, all green trades in that area, but all in the wrong direction, in my opinion. The market's like
the market wants to go up, man.
Look at the heartbeat of the Bulls. They like, get out of the way.
Let's check on these stocks real fast.
I hate y'all. Every time I get stopped out, y'all go long.
Look at so Apple's trying to push. Microsoft is trying to push. Alphabet's trying to push. It's just Nvidia. Nvidia is going to be sideways all day until we get to the news. I don't think we're really push on Nvidia. So
did you take the retest down there, Jonah? For the long.
Here comes the market. Yeah, it's been tough. It's been tough.
It was. Those were fun scalps, but I mean. The market wants to push out of this. If it gets above 511, then I'll be interested for the longs. No, heck no. At this point, you're in the chase. This is the thick of things right here. This is the train has officially left the building at this point. Well, not left the building, but exactly. Yeah, this is not where I want to be at.
Oh, that's a good point. This is the high that broke the low, so they have to defend right here, or this is going to be a bad day for Bears. It's going to be a bad news Bears type of day if they don't defend right here.
I mean, remember they came up. Well, we're about to break through it right now. So, yay! Don't fade the Bulls. Don't fade the Bulls. Get out of my way, bro. Get out of my way.
Oh. We just got the change of character right there. We're breaking above some major structure.
Adrian, stay down, Rocky.
Ooh. The Bulls are back in town.
Out, bro. They was
Bulls
beating on that box.
Like,
get me out of here. All right.
Oh, they was beating on the box.
We're officially flipped now. All right. Now there's nothing really to talk about. If you shorten this market now, you better be scalping it. So
the Bulls are back. All right,
let's
check. Let's see what NVIDIA.
Now I'm ready to trade.
Still ain't really moving though.
I had a little. Now I'm ready to trade. That was fun.
He didn't want to fade he wanted to fade the Bulls
I wasn't believing
time.
him, man. I did not believe it. I didn't believe it.
You wanted to fade him the entire time.
Hey, you faded him too.
I didn't fade him. I believed in him, just not enough to take a trade.
Yeah, you faded him. You faded him. If you ain't traded, you faded their ass too.
I believe. I believe.
Watch this previous day. I mean this high break right here. High break and retest, I should say, at 512. Remember 513 that Jonah kept talking about? It's like we're coming back to retest that and push back up. I'm gonna wait. I want to see us come back down into the 490 range.
Thank God. That's what I want to see too. It's gonna need a major retracement though, but I agree.
It's not too major. I mean, we just feel a lot of liquidity. We're gonna pull back at some point, or maybe we just go straight to the highs.
Yeah.
Either way I go, I'm glad I start off with top step accounts because, yeah.
Yeah, trading the open's not too bad. The only problem that I was really having with the open today was just the price action down at the low was pretty messy. But other than that, not too bad.
Yeah, that chop was real right there.
Yeah, I want to see the market come back down, preferably back down to like 477.
Yep,
and I want to see this
477 on the dot is where I want to be at.
I want to see this. I would like to see the market come.
Yeah, I think that's the scalp right there. So I'm looking for us to come back up. I mean, come back down, and then I'll look to trade it long. This beat got my heart. Beat got my heart jumping, baby. I'm like, oh, let's go.
I think you could scalp down to 492 and be safe to the downside here as we start to pull back a little bit.
Nah, I've been fighting the heck out of these bulls today, and that's a bad idea. I'm down about $70 on the day, but nothing major. I'm watching.
Go ahead.
Good, brother. No, I was gonna say I'm watching 490, 492 down to about 476 for longs now. Now that we've officially got that break of structure, so I want to see us come back down and retest the 400s.
And then I'm up about 150 on the day on one of my accounts. I took the Valdez special, except for I did it correctly, and yeah.
Dang. Hey.
I'm just playing. I'm just messing.
Joda, there you go. He going back in the op mode. Back in the op mode. Bro, yeah, y'all don't know light skin Justin is here. Light skin Justin will throw you under the bus.
Wait. How's you ready? Wait.
Hold on. I'm almost ready to trade. Hey guys, we're coming into this level, so
yeah, I need to come down a little bit lower. It's coming though.
We're getting there. I'm just looking to see the
tap in my box, but I need to get it down lower. Come on, come down. Really nice scalp to the downside right here, though. This is where I'd be looking to exit if I was in short up there at the highs. This is the part that I hate, Hobbs. Like when we start to kind of consolidate here, and it looks like we want to go long. Yeah, I want it to. Yeah, I wanted to go deeper. I want this to be another little pullback to go a little bit lower. Yeah, I agree with that. I think this could be a drop-based drop on the. Oh my! You gotta be kidding me. I still think it's too early. It's too early. It's still too early. I think this could be a drop-based drop on the 1 minute. Maybe not though. Thank you for cooperating, market. Break this low. All right.
I want to see this sweep right here, but if it doesn't sweep, I'm gonna take it down in this consolidation.
Yeah, for me, it doesn't have to sweep. I see what I already want to see on the tape. I'm just kind of waiting for this thing to kind of push up a little bit and just break the high. Unless I can't, I could take it sooner. Let's see what we do on this. Come down here. They got some liquidity sitting at 9.5. See if that gets filled. Looks like the bid is trying to protect this.
It's just an arrow that I drew. It's just a horizontal line that I think that I drew earlier. I'm not sure. I think
all right, there's that bid being filled at 9.5. Let's see what happens.
That's what I wanted to see. Hold right there. There we go.
I'm in long.
Yeah, I am too. I'm in long at 9875.
Oh, you got a better entry than me. I hate you.
It happens.
Are you on the? I'm at 02 as well. Damn it. Trying to.
God damn.
I got it at the low. We're good. I think we're good. From what I'm seeing on the tape, as long as buying continues, we'll be fine. This will come back up and at least get us back up to the high. Two really good 1 minute candles as well.
Yeah, the 15-minute looks good too, just to hold this area here.
Same with the 5. Might be a little choppy ride back up, but like to see this 1 minute candle close up near the high. Break above VWAP.
Yeah, I think as long as we hold above 492, we'll be fine.
Yeah, we got above VWAP right there. A lot of buying going on at these highs. Just don't want to see us get rejected and do
that. He said, and do that. Yeah, that. God, the chop is real today.
All right, we're still good though. We're still good. I don't need to give it this much breathing room anymore. We're just playing around at the entry. We're also at the we're also at the POC as well. The POC is at 500, so a lot of selling just hit right there though. See if it gets rewarded.
Yeah, Shane. I think Justin and I both are trading. We're trading smaller size, so like it is what it is. And we're playing on accounts that we really don't. I mean, we care about what we don't care about. Like Top Step X is more of. I mean, the accounts are $4.50 for me, so I'm using it as a training ground, more practice ground. I'm still taking exact entries that I would take in real life, but I'm more inclined to take trades at certain times of the day. Golly, can we just hold this? Love the energy. Looking for midnight open print.
Behind. There you go. That's where we
at midpoint of 5 minute breaker block long, targeting midnight, half normal risk due to the sellers still defending. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't.
We're back in my entry here.
I don't like this at all.
You know what to do if you don't like it, bro.
I still think we might push out. All right, I'm gonna. Oops, never mind. I just got stopped out. I tried to close it, and my mouse wasn't on the damn button. It's all good.
I hate this. I hate it here.
No, I still think we're coming down. I still think we're coming down potentially.
You just said we was coming up. He said we was good 2 seconds ago.
No. I know. I wanted to come down lower before we come back up, but I don't know.
We might have got my stop is at the low, so whatever they want to do here, you can stop me out at the low or keep going up. Nope. It didn't get you. Damn.
Well, I got whipped out too.
But you guys were in the 500s. I was in at 498, so my stop is at 490. Yeah, I'm holding over dear life. Let's go, Jonah. I got Jonah still with me, baby. Yeah.
All right, Valdez, let's short it right here.
Yeah, I'm listening to Justin like, bro, he's like, yeah, we're going down. We're going. I'm like, you just told me not to fade the bulls.
No. Well, I was hoping we were. I still want to get down to that 77 level, but we just double bottomed right there.
I just knew if I wanted it, I needed to get in the 400s to be comfortable. And you know, if it wants to stop me out, then hey, so be it. But I'm not gonna fight these bulls no more. I tell you what, I'm not gonna do. I'm not gonna short the market up here. I'm gonna stay in this long.
So choppy.
All right, let's go. At some point, we're gonna come out of this and we're gonna go nuclear to the upside. Everybody relax. All right, still long at 498.75 for me. Discord fam is in with me. Hopefully they don't quit on me. Yeah, I'm sorry. Hey man, you don't want to say you be getting them. I'm not at all. I'm not at all. Jonah, what's your entry? You quiet as hell over there. What you got? 495? Yeah, let's go.
Oh, we got the same. We got the same damn entry. I moved my stop, to be honest. I gave it the low, but as soon as we started pushing out, I was like,
Yo, NQ will test your gangster, bro. Let's go. Let's go. You scared? Go to church. We going to 614, baby.
Oh my god.
The bulls.
Y'all have problems. Y'all have issues.
Yeah.
Damn right.
Get back here.
Nah, I'm not.
I know. Hey, I'm thinking the same thing, Jonah. I don't want to leave you, but if we can't get above 513, I gotta go. I gotta get out of here, bro.
There's a part of me that wants to.
I can't take an L and I'm up 10 points, man. Come on, bro. What is this? All right, we retested that low down there. Come on, just hold the low. Hold the low. Come on. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'm about to throw up. I'm about to throw up. Oh no. I know you did. I can feel your soul leaving me, bro. I can feel you leaving me, bro. Another one bites the dust. Oh no. My Discord family's leaving me. Hey.
All right, I'm in long right there.
I picked up another one. Come on, Justin, let's get these.
I'm in long there. I'm trying along.
If the Bears cannot break this low, we're gonna go back up and it's gonna rocket shit.
Yeah, I think we might be shaking out weak hands right here.
That's what I'm
hoping. We're shaking out weak hands. I think we're shaking out weak hands. I'm not gonna lie.
I feel like this is a shakeout. I feel like we try to shake folks out, and they're doing a really good job because Lord have mercy, I almost cut it. I was like, all right, cut it, just cut it.
If I get stopped out, it is what it is. But I think we may be trying to shake weak hands out here.
Oh no, this is a bad closure right here. We need to go up from here.
Yeah, I think we're good. No, that's a good closure at the low. That was actually a good closure on the 1 minute. We got that doji candle down there.
Oh, I was looking at it like a drop-based drop though.
Could be that too, but I think we're shaking out weak hands. I really do, but I could be wrong.
They about to get my liquidity.
Yeah. Well. Okay. Well, maybe. Maybe I can't survive. No, don't just.
He said my hands are weak, boy.
I still like longs here. This should go down,
bro.
I'm still in too.
I'm still in. Same entry. 498.75 is my entry. My stop is at 490. Like
Okay,
it
come on.
dumps.
Just don't. Okay, nope, they got me.
Hobbs. Oh, come on, Top Step. Stop it.
I still.
What's up, bro? Bro, the market wants to chop around, bro.
Yeah, we did get a
market
big
wants
sell
out of here, bro. Market wants out of here.
I think the market wants out too.
Bulls is beating their chest right now. I think that's what everybody waiting on. Everybody wants the aggressive 61% long on the tilt. They bailing quick. It used to be, it was 70%. They get up out of there. They're like, bro, I want no part of this chop. I don't blame them. Bro, this chop is real. I think the market wants out of here, though.
I do too.
Come on, just go up, baby. Go up.
But every time the market tries to push these bears, they just come in there and
come on. Come on, out of here, bro. They want out of here. They beat their chest, man. They want out of here. Look at every time we come to these lows, they just keep defending. I think if bears get beneath here, it's a problem. But if we can just continue to hold the low, eventually we gotta go up.
I got it. I got back in at 99.50 as well. I knew this thing was coming back up. Okay, well. There it is.
Just get above 513, baby. Don't clap until we close above 513. Don't clap. Don't clap. we gotta get. This is my fault. We just gotta close above 513. If we can get above 513 and then push above the 20s, we'll be good. The market wants out of here. Bro, this is crazy.
I'm going to break
even. How you think I feel? I didn't watch y'all come in and out of this trade 3 times. How you think I'm feeling over here? And lose.
You're coming right. Yeah. Market's about to push right back down. Come on, hold this and go. Hold this and go. Do not fail. All right.
It's another lower high being put in here.
Come on.
Again, higher lows at the bottom, so just a range. All good. You'll get back in. He said for sure. Just put in a damn higher low at some point. Jeez.
All right, I got stopped out as well. This is looking like an inverse head and shoulders on the 1 minute, or a head and shoulders. Sorry, it's looking like a head and shoulders on the 1 minute, and on the 5 as well. I'll be right back though.
They are still in liquidity right now, holding that low again. If we break the low, we're done. If we continue to hold the low, this market's gonna pump out of here. All right, let's get to the chat. NQ will test your gangster. Yeah, bro. It's definitely testing my gangster right now. I'm still in the trade. Just chilling. I'll exit longs and it'll pop. Yeah, it's just super choppy, man. It's dumb choppy right now. But we just keep holding this low right here, right? This low right here just will not break. If it breaks, I'll get out of the trade, but yeah, that's what That's what I'm looking at right now. It's like 9:30 my time, which means it's about to be 10:30. So either we're about to flush or straight up pump here. I like long still. Back to my entry here. See if we break these lows. A lot of aggressive selling coming in now. A lot of aggressive selling, but every time that aggressive selling comes in, more buying comes in. So let's see if they get absorbed here. All right, I think I'm stopped. I'm finally stopped out. Jesus Christ, thank God. The longest trade in the history of mankind.
Would you get short?
No. I was still in my long. Damn, they broke that low, and it was closeout season. Oh my God! Don't fade the bulls, huh? Yeah. Don't fade the bulls, he says. No, don't fade the bulls. He
says. Before I got up and left, I definitely said it looks like there's a head and shoulders right here. I did note that. I mentioned it before I got up.
F them Bears. F them Bears.
Abundance says, laugh my ass off. NQ will test your gangster. Yeah,
bro, for real, bro.
I'll exit longs and it'll pop. Yeah, no, it did not pop, Zenith. It did not pop.
It definitely did not. It definitely did not.
This is where I initially wanted to see the longs come in. It was down here anyway. But of course, now the bulls are gonna be like, yeah, it's time to go.
What are you trying to do down here, market?
Yeah, it should be. This is the area where all the buying started, so this should potentially hold here.
Yeah, this is the retest of the low here, but we'll see what happens.
I'm not seeing anything yet on the tape that I like. Oh, what a move, though. Coming back down. I hate when the market does that. I hate when we chop.
Yeah, I should have took my profits up there. I let greed take control. I was up significantly a couple times and didn't take my bread. What you say, brother? Yeah, that's why I just fall in love with the scalpers mentality, because it's like with NQ it's just so volatile that it's just like, damn, it's so hard to hold these trades. It's like, man, you might as well just take the points while they're available. Like I probably gave back $300 or $400 because I was up $100 multiple times. Just fighting the greed down there.
It's looking like another. This is looking like another good potential long.
Shut up, Justin.
I don't know why you don't believe me. Why don't you believe me?
Shut up, Justin.
Oh, good. As long as y'all aren't looking for longs, that's exactly what I mean. Because the last time when y'all were looking for longs, the market decided to skyrocket. So y'all keep looking for shorts, and I'm gonna keep looking for longs.
Define skyrocket. Because define skyrocket, because I feel like we're right back down where we started.
Hey, look.
Define your definition of skyrocket right now.
Good. I will take it.
Damn, we gave back that entire candle, bro.
Yeah, we just filled that bid right there. It's because NVIDIA is not doing anything.
Yeah, the market just continues to look silly. We broke that high, and just we're not finding new buyers unless we're gonna come all the way down to 60.
Yeesh. Oh, well, that idea is gone.
Yeah, I'm glad everybody's looking for loans. I'm glad none of y'all are looking for longs. Now I'm gonna get long. Okay.
I didn't get long. I didn't take it.
yeah.
I didn't take it.
I should have stuck with my original thesis and short this damn market. This market.
Here it come. That's not my fault. Y'all fell in love with the longs. Y'all fell in love with the longs. It had nothing to do with me.
The ops steps back in. Enter the op.
Y'all fell in love with it, not me.
Okay. I don't know why y'all fading these longs. I don't know why y'all fade the bulls, bro.
It's pretty when it come in. Oh, NVIDIA started to come down. Everything started to come down. Meanwhile, ES ain't doing nothing. ES been in like a 10-point range all day.
Pretty much.
I mean, the way my account looks, I haven't done anything. I'm down 10.
I like the longy McLongs down here.
Oh, now you like the longs.
Hey, look, I like the longs at the low. And as long as we can't break this, it just will not come all the way down. It won't give you nothing what you want today. Like, yeah. Every time we come up, we're just not putting in a new high. The market's just going to continue to fall.
Well, we just made a.
No, we did.
Well, I mean, on the 15 second, we had an intermediate change of character.
Oh, okay. I was about to say, I thought you were talking about the 1 minute. I'm like, no, we didn't.
No, not on the one. Not on the one. Yeah, the 5 minute candle looked nice.
Man, they stopped out the whole crew, bro. They said, yeah, we're going much, much lower before we go up.
Yeah, I like this 5 minute candle that's printing. I want to see the next 5 minute candle come back down though and retest that low, and then the 1 hour probably looks ugly. Yeah, the one hour. Ooh, this 1 hour candle looks bearish as hell.
I'm so glad I'm starting the day off with Top Step X and not my other accounts. Oh gosh.
Yeah, well, this could be if we.
Bro, always. I always.
If we can break 485 and then come back down, this could be a really nice.
I got long at 70, but I'm trailing this motherfucker this time. I'm not giving back no more bread today. It's not happening. Give me 76. I'll take it. Thank you. Bro, this is crazy, bro. Like I'm just at this point, I'm just scalping, just trying to get my little money.
That
my
rejection
little money up. Yeah, I mean, we came back up to the supply zone on the 1 minute, and now we're rejecting it. So it makes sense that we rejected there. That's why I was scaling it so tight. Yeah, I think we're gonna come down and test and break this low here.
Oh, I think we're gonna come back. I think we're gonna come back up. I think this is. I think we're putting the inverse head and shoulders right here potentially. I just really like this 5 minute candle that we just got to the downside. I really like it to potentially trap some bears. But if we break it, then it's fine. I just won't get long, but
Bro, what are you trying to do? I knew this was gonna be a choppy ass day. I knew this day was gonna be some smoke in the city today. I was like, man, I'm so glad I'm not messing around. I made my little money in my fundeds in the Tokyo session, and now I'm just messing around with Top Step X.
I hate you. I got it on 69.
Dang, very nice entries. Really nice entries.
Yeah, but this thing has to push out and break this previous high. Nice rally base rally. Come on, rally.
Just no follow through from either side.
Rally. Jonah.
Oh my god, bro! These rejections are serious, bro.
Don't fail.
The fuck?
Don't fail.
There's no. Yeah, that's what I said. Like I was getting greedy, so I was like, let me just go back to my 10. Yep. It's a straight up chop fest. Like, ain't no sense of fighting this.
Oh man.
Bro, easy gave up 500. That's why I was like, nah, man, I'm not doing this today. I'm not doing this with you, market. Like, I already know. Easy,
wow.
Bro. And that's why I said, like, I just resided to. Yeah, but I
think you let go of a banger.
Again, I think I'm back in at 74, but I think
oh my god, what a rejection. Okay, no, we're still good. We're still good.
Are you still in?
I think this thing's gonna push and go. Oh yeah, I'm still in. I have faith in this move. Like as I see the inverse head and shoulders potentially.
You know how many times we've heard that from you today? Shut up.
I have faith. I have faith
in this move.
I have faith. I have faith. No. Once you leave, we don't want you back. No.
I'm out right there for 10 points. I'm not playing with this market. I'm not playing with this market today, bro. I'm done wasting my time. I'm telling you, bro, I'm done wasting my time. But give my 100. Thank you. I'm gone. I will take my $100 and bounce. Like the market playing games, bro. You gotta adjust to the conditions of the market. And the market right now, they trying to take everybody liquidity. So if you're looking for longer moves today, it's gonna cut you up. So you just got to adjust to what the market is offering. The market is not offering those 60, 70 point moves right now, at least not fluidly, right? It's eventually coming down. Yeah, like it's because of NVIDIA, exactly. So like everybody's positioning today. And honestly, I might not even trade my fundeds today. Like I might not even bring them out just because I don't. On this one account. I'd probably just stay in Top Step X today and just do nothing else in my other accounts because I just don't feel comfortable with the price action today.
Oh my god.
Some minutes. I'll be home. Oh, my boo boo. All right, baby. I'll see you in a second. She's she's not feeling well. Here, let me call my wife real quick, guys. I'll be right back.
Oh my god. Yeah, we might be coming down from here. Let me go ahead and secure a bit more. Just don't tick me out. 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 I still think the market wants up. We're making higher highs, lower highs, higher lows, whatever. I just need the market to just shoot up one time. Come on. No! I ran my stop. Son of it just does not want to cooperate. I still might look to get in long again. Nope, never mind. This is an inverse head and shoulders. We're coming back down. Or a regular head and shoulders. This is been horrible price action. I probably should have taken my. I might switch to taking my 10-2 at this point. Like, and then the day the time I decide to take my 10, that's going to be the time where the market decides to rally like 100 points.
All right, guys. I'm gonna call it a day right there. My wife is sick. She's headed home, so I'm gonna get her some tea and kind of take care of her. So probably a good thing too. It's probably not the Probably the day that you get case slayed by the market today. This is not the business right now. I had a feeling that this was going to happen. That's why I didn't really go into my other accounts. I wanted to go into Top Step X because, again, it's $4.50 to trade over there. I made money in the Tokyo and the London session, or the Tokyo session. But this chop, I think the market wants up, in my opinion. But if you don't get the ideal entry and or take your 10 points and run, this market is going to come back and take your liquidity. So you either need to adjust to the market conditions or just stay out of it. Me personally, I wasn't going to stay out of it, but my wife is giving me a reason to stay out of it. She's coming home. She's sick. So I'm going to go ahead and bounce, ladies and gentlemen. So, Jay, you got it?
Yeah, I got it. All right, bro.
All right, man. I'll holler at y'all later.
All right, peace. Let me share my screen then over here. I actually don't think the afternoon session is going to be any better at all, because on the afternoon session we got FOMC and we got NVIDIA earnings. So yeah, I think this is tough. I think the market wants to go short again. I think we want to retest. We're just in this range right now, and I'm just kind of like, I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like this range that we're in. Yeah, the market looks like it wants to break down again. I'm getting sells all over the tape. Like, this is tough. I like that like intermediate higher low that we're getting, like as we're coming back up. But this was the lower high right here. I think this was gonna break us down. This is looking, it's gonna break us down. I did not get short right here though. But we still have this low holding at between 466 and 454. That's kind of the area I've been trying to long off of. There's another potential higher low being put in, but the market's just stuck at VWAP and you haven't moved. So I definitely think we're in kind of like a balanced range. So if you're trying to trade this between 486 and about 466 is about the range we're getting right now. I up 20 points on that? I was up 20 points on that trade, damn near. Oh, well. Yeah, we're coming back down to the bottom of this range. Oh, this literally is one of those, this literally is one of those, England beats, one of them European rap beats. I just heard the guy. It's that trap music from Europe. Yeah, that UK rap. Mm-hmm. That's what I was doing earlier. Badman. Skitty bop poop poop. Oh my god. Oh man. Yeah, I'm just. Wait, what range did I take this from? Oh, okay. I basically took this range right here is what I'm watching on my chart. This is the range I'm looking at right here on my chart, but I can't. Like I said, I think this is about to be the breakdown. We basically put it at inverse head and shoulders. If you look at it, we broke or a regular head and shoulders. So I keep doing that. We made this high right here. We swept the high, came back, made a lower high, and now we're coming back down. So I think the move is still to the downside. I still think we're coming down. I think we're going to break this low right here and then potentially go after this strong. This is a strong low right now, but I think we're going to break it. But we'll see. Bulls are still defending down here at this low. We're at the 50% of my box too, so we'll see if we can defend down here. The short. Oh, the long? Oh, got out. Got you. Check. Yeah, we're just in a range right now. Yeah, we're just in a range right now. So it's and we're in an even smaller range where we're playing with right now between this low and this high right here. That's really our range that I'm kind of watching. Yeah, NQ's been pretty good today. It's been moving pretty good. I'm barely green on the day right now. Let's see. Nope, y'all are being real quiet in these comments. Yeah, we just put in another. Yeah, the 1 hour is very, very bearish. We just ran this low again. Let's see if we see some buying. All right, we're coming down. Here it comes. Here it comes. We're coming down. Come on, selling. Nope, pops right back up. That was a sweep right there with some strong buying. If we can, okay, so if we can break above this high right here at 41 and we come back down, then I'll look to take a long here. That's all I can really do at the moment. I don't want to short the market unless we're like back up to these highs. So if we can sweep this prior high right here, come back down, come back down and then retest in this box, I'll take the market long. That'll be a good long. I just gotta be patient and let this come to me. Work. A lot of selling going on at these lows. A lot of selling. This beat's pretty fire though. I agree, bud. I agree. So I told Hobbs this morning we needed new beats. So he went and found some new beats. Gotta switch up the rotation a little bit. All right, that's a really nice 1 minute candle too. Really nice 1 minute candle. Yeah, I don't like shorting the market down here at this low. I'd much rather get it back up at the high. But here comes the break of and we got the close in the 1 minute. So that's what I wanted to see right there. Now I want to see us come back down and retest this low area. If we can come back down and retest somewhere in this box and buying comes back into the market, I'll look to take it long back up to the high, but looks like it might not give that to me, and well, that's all right. Every time we come down here, the market consolidates and eventually it pushes out. I don't know if it's going to happen again, but I'm definitely cool with that happening this time. All right, cool, perfect. Yep. So now I just want the market to come back down to 462. That's the area where I'm looking for the market to come back down to. $462 is my level. Come on, market. If everyone thinks NVIDIA would go up, then why is everyone selling? So they can get a better price. The institutions want a better price for NVIDIA. Like, if as this market continues to pump a little bit, oh my God, there's the pump. But if NVIDIA, like, if NVIDIA was back up at 729, why would you want to buy it if you could sell your shares off for profit and then rebuy it, almost what, $40 lower, damn near? Like, that's why people are selling. They're selling it to get it for a cheaper price. Yeah. All right. Oops, that's a yes. All right, we're back up at this high. Seeing a lot of buying going on up here, like a lot of buying, a lot on the tape. There's a lot of buying. Oh my God. Yeah, I think the market just wants to be in this range. Let me see where, yeah. There's a lot of buying going on up here. It's about to fail. The question now is, are we consolidating here to go lower, or are we accepting, or are we consolidating here, picking up buyers, and then going to go higher? Or 490. Looks like once these orders move, well, about 47 orders sitting there. Yeah, I don't really want to short the market up here. I'd much rather short at like 505 where this box is at, or even like 91. Yeah, I'm yeah, I don't even know how many trades. Let me see how many trades I've taken. I've taken 17 trades apparently, even though I don't think I took that many. I think I took less than that, but yeah, I'm only up $21. Oh, yeah, they would have. All right. Okay. See, this is where it's tough, because if we look at the chart, we came down, we put in this low, we came back up, and then we put in this low, we put in a higher low here, and now we're coming back up, and now we're coming back down to potentially put in another low. And I just don't know whether we're gonna like break out of this or if we're gonna come back down even lower. I don't know what's gonna happen here. You know what I mean? Like, obviously nobody knows, but yeah. I don't really want the low to sweep here though. I don't want to see it sweep. We're back in the area where I'm looking for longs again. Again, a lot of selling going down here at these 40s. We popped right back up. Yeah, I think for me, I guess I could do two things. If I think the market's going to go up higher, I could try to take the long back up to this high, let the high break, and then look for the re-entry to go long another time. Oh, my account's going to be safe for NVIDIA. I'm not worried about that at all. I'm trading 1 micro for the NVIDIA earnings. Yeah, I think the market wants up. I think the market definitely wants up here. I didn't take it, but I think the market wants to come up, break this high right here that we've been struggling, and then we'll come back down and then continue on this uptrend. But I could be wrong. You know, I don't know what's gonna happen. E-Man says FOMC minutes at 2 p.m. Probably consolidate until then. Definitely a possibility. Definitely a possibility. I would say people will start to really consolidate and like try to get their positions up and down by about noon is when the bad consolidation will start. Yeah, I mean, if we look at the market, we're still in the range. I think to be completely honest with you, I think NVIDIA has way more power over this market than FOMC does. Because FOMC, everybody already knows what to expect from FOMC, right? Like, we know from the conference everything that's going to be in that report. So will we get volatility? Yeah, we will, 1,000%. There'll be a spike, but I think everybody's really waiting on NVIDIA because nobody knows what NVIDIA is going to be like. But most people are probably bullish on NVIDIA. So, like, and that's why I think these lows might be safe. Right? Like, I think these lows might be safe and we might not want to push any lower because these guys down here that think that NVIDIA is going up, they're going to want to protect their position, right? They just got the best price on the day. Well, these guys actually got the best price on the day for the NASDAQ so far, right? So if I'm under the impression that the market's going to be bullish for the for the earnings, then if I'm a big bank, my position would be to push the market down, try to get the best entry again, which they probably got again, and then to push the market back up, and then to push the market back down again, try to get another good entry, and just keep loading up the entries until, you know, the NVIDIA news happens. And who knows, maybe they might be waiting for FOMC. Well, nah, I think the FOMC minutes will probably push the market up, to be honest with you. I'm not going to lie. But, you know, we'll see what happens. But that's kind of where my thesis is. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. That's well, I wouldn't okay, so there's two things you can do. Yeah. I mean, but there's two things that you could do with the earnings, right? The one thing you could do is you could you could kind of allow the first move to happen. So like, because as soon as the market opens or closes, you'll watch NVIDIA and it'll probably do that wiki dance or whatever. So unless you get in before all that happens, I would just let that pass me by, right? Like let the NVIDIA earnings do what they're gonna do at first. And then once you get that first move, then you go. But I don't know. It's gonna be pretty hectic. But yeah, the market's chopping around. Oh, it's 1,000%, I guess. But right now, if I'm trading this, we already have an established range. The high is at 486, and our low is sitting at around 455. So I wouldn't be trying to long or short the market anywhere in the middle. I would just be looking for the outer extremes, the long and short. I don't like trading that way, to be completely honest. I like to try to trade the way I think the market is ultimately going to go. But I'm just going to sit on my hands because I don't like this action anyway. We're in a small range. What is the time over there now? It is 10:57, I believe. Yeah, 10:57. So the minutes are at 2. So what is that, like 4 hours? 11, 12, 1, 3 hours away. And then the market closes at 4, and then that'll be NVIDIA earnings, which I don't know what time the NVIDIA earnings are supposed to be released. Is that the time? No, it's not the time. So we'll see. But right now the market's just in consolidation. It looks like we're making higher lows, but we're making equal highs on the way up. But for me, we're trading in this range. So now that we've identified the range, I wouldn't be looking for longs and shorts unless we're at the extreme of the range. So I'd be looking to short the market up here and long the market down below. Why are they releasing earnings after market close? They release them after market close because I don't know. I think it has something to do with like the volatility of it. Yeah. So okay. I honestly think the reason why they don't do it is for the options traders, to be completely honest with you. Because if options traders had the ability to control their options during earnings, it'd be nuts. Like the volatility would be on a completely different level, because now you have the options chain going, and you've got people buying shares and selling shares. So I think that's really the main reason why they do it. But I honestly, I don't know. I've never really looked into why they do it after the market's closed. But I think it really has to do with the volatility, honestly. Most people don't trade when the market's closed. So I think it also kind of gives the big banks an advantage as well, because they can get in and out of their positions pretty easily. I mean, you could trade after hours, but all right, bro. See you later. All right, peace. But yeah, let me Google this because I'm curious. Let's see, why do earnings happen after market close? Yeah, literally this says there's lower investor attention. Not only is there lower investor attention, but also the fact that most people, that like the average investor probably doesn't even know that they can trade during the after hours, like shares anyway. But yeah, I couldn't imagine having options traders be able to trade during market hours and have it be no problem, SB. Yeah, Robinhood lets you trade in the after hours and pre-market and stuff. let you trade shares. And actually, if you guys didn't know, options for SPY and QQQ, you can trade options up to like 15 minutes or like 20 minutes after the market's closed. So that's why you see, that's why you see a lot of the times that they won't release, like the big companies, they won't release their earnings right away. They'll wait like an hour before the market closes, like after the market closes, to release. And that's the other thing too, you gotta think about. If investors aren't paying attention, they're less likely to sell their stock off if they have bad earning reports. So that's another reason why they probably do it after the market's closed or before the market's open. Because I don't think I've ever seen a company release. No, I have seen it once. There was one time. I don't know. I mean, if you're a long-term holder, yes, they do. Yeah, they do. Yeah, what? How are you gonna say that? I would say yes. I would say there are a ton of retail traders or retail investors who hold significant shares for a long period of time. And I mean, it depends on what significant share you mean too. You know what I mean? Like, because you got to think, like, if 90% of, or like everybody who's not a bank or a hedge fund is retail, but there's retail people out there who have millions of dollars. They still can't move the market, but they're still, investing. Oh, I'm definitely. Okay, so think about the million. Okay, so there's a lot of millionaires in the world, right? That invest in the stock market. But think about like a one minute candle of, like, let's say Apple is worth probably like a couple $1 million, right? Like a regular millionaire who's still technically a retail trader isn't gonna be able to move that candle because they're not gonna have enough money. So that's why I would still consider them retail. SB says, so releasing after market closes, no? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's definitely a normal practice. Every company either releases their earnings 2 times: market close or before the market opens. But the big companies you want to pay attention to, they all release it after market closes. But NASDAQ is open during earnings release so people can trade. So it depends on what instrument you're trading, right? If you're trading futures, then yes, you could trade it. If you're trading options, then it's only, I believe, 15 minutes after the market closes that you can open and close a position on options. And that's only for QQQ and SPY. The stocks, you can't do that. Once the stock market closes on the stocks, you got to hold overnight. So this market's continuing to look like it wants to go up. It looks like on the 5 minute, we put in that inverse head and shoulders. It's pretty ugly, but we put it in. I didn't take it long though. We still haven't broken. I would rather see us break above this area cleanly, because if not, the rest of this is just chop, and this is all scalp territory for me. We're just playing around in this range. I don't want to trade it. You can definitely trade it though. There's definitely areas you could trade. But it looks like we're pulling into that time where the market's starting to slow down volume wise, and it looks like we're just in this range. So I'd be opening to long the market if we get back down to this low, but I don't want to long the market in the middle here. Yeah, we're losing steam. Definitely losing steam. You can see on the 5 minute, you can see the volumes definitely kicked down from before. Yeah, we've dropped off pretty heavily in volume the past 5, 10, 15, 25, 30, the past 35 minutes. So at this point, now I'm just chilling. I'm just going to wait. I'm going to wait, be patient, see if we come back down to 4452-ish area, and then try to long it where my box is at. I'll just continue to play the range. Could have taken the short up here, though. The question is, do we make it all the way back down to this low? What up, Yvonne? How's it going? We are just chilling over here in this NQ range. I'm out of drink. Great. Right now, I don't have much. What kind of moves? I know we've been in a range for like what, the past hour maybe. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 minutes. Felt like an hour. We've been in a range for the past 40 minutes. The market hasn't moved. Let's see. Let's see how large this range has been. How long has this range been that we've been in? We've been in a 34-point range for the past 40 minutes. And probably the past like 20 minutes, we've probably been in like a 10-point, maybe 20-point range. Yeah, about a 20-point range in the past 20-ish minutes or so. So definitely scalp territory for sure. Looks like we have like a little intermediate range too now that's kind of been forming. So we have like the larger range in between for 30 points. And then we got like about a 20-point range between 466 and like 488. So still have that nice inverse head and shoulders intact. It's just, I just don't want to trade this. Looks like we're trying to break out now. Man. Question. How many range days and how many trending days in a month? Just an estimate. That's a good question. So I don't know the answer, but what I'll say is I think the stat is like 80% of the days of the market are range days, and only like, well, maybe it's 90. I think it's like 90% of the days are range days and 10% of the days are trending. The market ranges more than it trends, but when it trends, it normally trends very heavily, right? So obviously it's going to feel different because your big moves during trend days are going to be very big, but the market trend or range is about 90% of the time. So right now, from, let's call this high to this low is the current range that we're in, right? So we kind of broke out of it and then came back up. Wow, thank you. Yeah, no problem, no problem. Yeah, we range a lot. The market ranges more than it actually trends. So, but this is a much smaller range that we're in right now. But overall, the day has been a range day. Right, I think we're in a 70-point range overall on the day. So it makes sense. Yeah, 75-point range today. It makes sense. We got some big catalysts today. People are trying to position themselves. I think potentially the low of day is in though. I don't think we're gonna break down below here. I think the low of day is in. I'll be honest. But now that we've broken out of here, and I got the break I was looking for, even though I didn't take it, it's fine. I'm gonna look and see. Yep, that's what I'm waiting on too. So we could reject this area right here. This could be a rejection point, but we broke out of this consolidation bullish. So now I got some answers. I'm gonna take this box away too. It's kind of distracting. All right, so the market finally made a decision, right? We broke out of this area. I think we could reject here. I don't know for sure, but I think we could reject here and come back down and retest this. So that's what I'm waiting on. But we broke out bullish. It just took forever to do it. So now I'll wait. We got a tap on my box. We were rejecting. Kind of what I thought was going to happen. We still could potentially come back up and go a little bit higher, but I'll wait. And this move is happening on a bit more volume too, so I do like that. It's been a tough day. It's been a tough day. I'm happy to be green. I'm not gonna lie, even though it's an account I really don't care about, but. Oh, let's see if we come down. Just want to see if we can come back down to 478. That's the area. But the tape is looking really bullish right now. Got a lot of buying going on at these highs. A lot of buying. Oh, man. Just the patience game. Patience. That's what pays. Oh. All right. I'm looking for some consolidation at these highs. Hopefully. Looking to see us consolidate and then come back down. But we already did get some consolidation right here. So. We had this high. All right. We're breaking through some more structure here, potentially. We made this equal low here. All right. Actually, this is a little bit smaller. All right. I want to see if I can't take a potential quick scalp. That's really tight, though. I might not actually take this. Buyers are really taking over right now. Oh, I really like to see us come back down to 4.78, but a part of me also is thinking about taking a quick scalp at 501, but we're pushing up towards that previous high over here. Let me see. Basically got a double. Oh no, we did. Okay. We also got an inverse head and shoulders here as well on the 5 minute. If you look and see right here, we made this low. Even though this didn't really close, we still wicked pretty low. Came back down. Here's your head. We broke it. Came back down. Made another lower high. Kind of played around. Made another inverse head and shoulders within the inverse head and shoulders, and then we're pushing up again. So this should be pretty bullish, and we should get the continuation, hopefully. But we should come down and get some type of retest. That's what I'm mainly waiting on. But this market is pushing. Got a rally-based rally on the 5 minute. This market is going. Yeah. We did it on a little bit less volume though, but we had a full body candle, but the volume wasn't as high. I'm just gonna be patient. The only that didn't make a low. Yeah, this is tough. I don't really have a good area right now. I don't know why this reminds me of like a Drake beat. Let's see if we come here, but I'm not sold on this area though. I wouldn't mind maybe if we create structure here to the downside and take a scalp back down into this area. That's more so what I'm potentially looking at. If we break and hold below here, which is what we're kind of doing, and then we push back up, then maybe we come back down and retest this. I think we just have to have a deeper pullback, but we'll see. We're tapping into one of my boxes. I was looking potentially long the market, but we just kind of broke. Yeah, we broke structure right there to come back to the downside potentially. Yeah, we're breaking. Yeah, there it is. But this is another potential area where we could see a bounce. Man, today's just been one of those days. Let's see if we... All right. Just because we're so high up and we're back to that area where we were rejected earlier, I kind of want to see if we put in that inverse head and shoulders here. Or, sorry, regular head and shoulders. We just broke some structure on the lower time frame. So if we come back up and we can't put in a new high, then we might have to come down, test lower prices to come back up, and I can target this previous high, this previous high, where I think we'll probably hold at 485. That's kind of my plan, but this might break down here. It's looking like a drop base drop. Let's see. Chad, send the recovery signal. What's up with the UK robot? I knew it. I said the same thing. It's UK. I can change it here. I'll change it in a second. I do like this song though. Oh, yep. Here it goes. Okay, we just. Oh, what a mean sweep right there. Uh-oh. I might be changing my thesis to try to take this long. That was a mean sweep. If we get one more retest down low of that low right there and it holds. All right, I'm just gonna I took it long there, but I should have waited. That was an impulse, I'm not gonna lie. I'll put my stop below the low though. That's a bad entry for me. I should have waited. I should have waited till right there. Yeah, that was a bad entry. No. This was the entry I should have waited on. See if buyers hold this. Yeah. I screwed myself there. I broke my rule. I got impulsive. And I'm gonna pay. I'm gonna pay. I'm just looking for this to be a potential quick scalp. I foobarred my entry. I got impatient. I got impatient. I could have had a much better entry. But we did hold that area. All right, we're coming up. I should be up like a lot more than I am. That was a mistake. But I want to first gauge price at 512. And then if we don't, it's 502. I was stupid. I knew what price wanted to do there. I said we were gonna pull back and try to hold it. We did, but I was dumb. But we gotta break. We gotta get above 512 for me to feel comfortable. It looks this might be a break even trade for me because I don't like my entry at all. And this could be the higher low being put in right here. Or sorry, lower high. But we'll see. We could be coming for that weak high too, which is what I'm hoping. there's a lot of things that I'm at break even as well. With a lot of things could happen here, and that's my only problem with this trade. And my entry was so early, but it was late as far as where I should be. If that makes sense. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna. If I get stopped, I'm with you. If I get stopped out, then I may look to re-enter. But I think the market's gonna at least come back up and retest 12. Hopefully, but it's struggling right now. Just don't come back up to my entry. Don't come down to my entry. Come on. Come on, buyers. There you go. Show me some fight up here. Show me some fight. All right, here we go. Come on, buyers. What is it? There's a large amount of orders sitting beneath us, but I don't even want to see us come back and test that. Price is starting to round up. Hopefully we can get up here. Hopefully we can come back up and retest 512, but we'll see. We're moving pretty slow. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. There we go. All right, we're coming up to 512 now. This is the area where I want to gauge and see what happens. I'm gonna put my stop. Yeah, I'm taking a little bit, but all right, here we go. This is the first test. I don't like that candle on the 15 second. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god. Way to go, sellers. Hold the line. Hold the door. That was a nasty rejection. Oh my god, that happened so quick. So one thing about NQ, nice. Yeah, I'm just at this point we just touched that and we were rejected. I'm gonna see if we put in an inverse of the inverse, or not inverse, a head in the head and shoulders here, and I'm gonna take the market short. That was super unfortunate. My box was spot on though right here. We tapped in. I just got impatient. I should have waited for this last push down right here should have been where my entry was. Instead, my entry was like somewhere up here. This is potentially the exhaustive move back to the upside before we come down again. I'm looking for failure here, and I'll take the market short. And I won't have to risk a lot to do it. We'll see what happens, though. All right, I just took the market short. I got in short at 08. I think this thing's coming back down, at least down to. I think we're coming at least down to 85. 485 is where I'm looking to get out. Hopefully I caught a body here. We'll see though. But we got to break that. We got to break this low. I'm up about 6 points. Oh my god. We're also around the POC as well, which is never good. Yeah. I'm just hoping we didn't pull into another pocket of consolidation here. But my risk is really minimal. I'm already at a 1-to-1. I just think that could have been the last exhaustive selling, buying move to the upside for just a second. But we'll see. Yeah, I got short at 8, but it's coming back up now. I want to see this. I want to see this push fail here. There it is. Nice failure. Let's go. So we just retested the neckline right there, and now we're failing, which is exactly what I wanted to see. So I'm almost up 10 points now. I'm gonna move my stop to profit because the market's just been playing around today, and I'm just taking little profits here and there. Look at this market coming right back up. You got to be kidding me, man. Oh my god. All right, I need to see this fail again. Come on. There's just no continuation. Either way, I can't lose on this trade. All right, break this, break this, break it, break it, break it, break it. There you go. Break it, break it, break it, break it, break it, break it, break it. All right, we're tapping back into my box. I need to see this box break again. Thanks, thanks, thanks. Yeah, I'm trailing. I'm not at 10 yet. I'm right at 10 points for my entry, so I secured 3 so far. I might go ahead and just oh no, never mind. We're dropping. We're dumping. We're dumping. We're dumping. All right, this is the next area where I could potentially actually, matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna buy 3 back here. All right, I just bought 3 back there. Took some profit at that low because this could be an area where we bounce. And then I'm just gonna hold my runners. This is what I like. This is what I like. I'm looking for potential retest of this area right here. And then I would like to hold below 8.5, but down to this box. That would be ideal, but we're coming back up. That's why I want to take some profit because I had this box here. I knew we could potentially bounce. We could potentially retest this change of character area right here. So I'm kind of aware of that, but we're consolidating on the lower time frame. So, but yeah, I want to take some profit right there. It makes me feel way more comfortable about holding runners, especially the type of day we've been having. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lock in, I'm holding 2 contracts. I'm going to lock in roughly 10 points. All right, there it goes. I locked in 10 points. I think I got about 20 points out of the majority of my contracts. So if this thing wants to come back, that's fine. I'm a little bit above the change of character for the 1 minute. So if we hold and we continue to drop, then I'm good. If not, then, it is what it is. No, you can't really hedge. All right, yeah, we're coming down. Buy order. Yeah, okay, yeah. So I was selling the market. So to close, I have to buy the market back. Long to nowhere. Yeah, yeah. I got sliced and diced on that long, but I got out for like, I don't know, 20 bucks or something like that. This market has not been playing nice with anybody. All right, I'm moving my swing now to 9.5. So I'm securing some more profit. This thing might come back up. I'm just gonna continue securing with the swings on the 15-second chart as we come down. We're testing VWAP now on the chart that I'm looking at. So I think we could come back down, but this is an area where I would be looking for long, so I just want to be careful. And we're still in an overall uptrend, like as far as the micro pattern day uptrend goes. So just trying to be a little bit careful. All right, this looks like it's gonna take. Okay, I just got taken out. There for 51 bucks. We're popping back up. Looks like we put in another inverse head and shoulders potentially right here. So yeah, the market's just been really choppy. You got to get what you can get when you can get it. And that's kind of where I'm at with the market right now. That's why I took the majority of my profits down at that low. All right, let me change the song. Thank you. Let's change the song to another one of the new songs. I think this is. Here we go. It's a little bit calmer. You know what I'm saying? Especially after this chop. This chop is real. Looks like we just came back up and failed yet again. Yeah. It's that I can't fix that. The latency, I can't fix it. That's like a StreamYard to YouTube problem. So yeah, you guys are always gonna see me on some type of delay. I can't fix that. I'm sorry. I try my best. Although, shameless plug, we do have a Discord. It is a paid Discord. It's $40 a month or $15 just to try us out for the week. And in there, I am also live where there is no latency whatsoever. So in case you do want to come in, we teach our trading style. We're in there a lot. So if you are interested, it's only $15 to try us out for the week, and then you can cancel if you don't like it. But yeah, no latency over there on that stream. So shameless plug. Shameless. All right, Valdez. I conquered my being only up by $20. I got my room now. I like this area for long again. If we can, but I want it deeper. I want this to come all the way down to 77. Yeah, so we're back up at that retest of the high, the previous high, where we broke out of that consolidation. It looks like we want to come back down. I just don't feel comfortable in a mini today. Today's one of those days where I feel like you either have to scale out or take everything off the table super quick. But here comes that push. I definitely caught a body up there at that high, but it just didn't push down as quickly as I wanted it to. But I'm cool. I probably secured a total of like 15 points on that move, so I'm not mad at it at all. Thanks. All right, let me see. Is that SB? Is that a YouTube setting or is that a StreamYard setting? Because if it's YouTube, I can go in there and check it. Valdez, this looking like that sweep, bro, to go long potentially. We swept that and we got a nice I would wait. I still want to see some type of structure break to the upside first. I was just looking at the tape. I haven't really seen it yet. Well, I check this latency thing. Let me go to YouTube Studio. Yeah, it looks like we still could come down. See that buying come in. Let's see. I can't change it now. It's a YouTube thing. All right, I'll look into it. Will you wait for FOMC? No. Let's go. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I was messing with them. I don't really care. It's not a big deal. But no, I'm not waiting until I am not trading during FOMC. I think if we can break above, if we can close above 40 or 493, I expect us to pull back one more time back into this low before end up making a higher high to go again. That's what I would be expecting. Yeah, it's been tough. I don't trade during FOMC. Well, I'll take that back. I'll trade during FOMC, but I won't trade during FOMC if Powell's not speaking. That's my biggest rule. If Powell doesn't speak, I ain't trading it. And here's the reason why. Because the minutes is just going to be one volatile event where we're either going to go up or down or probably nowhere, honestly. And that's it. If Powell's speaking, I'll trade it. But if he's not speaking, I don't want to touch the market. Now, these NVIDIA earnings, that's different. I'm literally trading this account just to get enough room to play NVIDIA earnings. I'm only playing one micro, but I'm going to go long. I'll be honest with y'all. Like, you can go long wherever you want. I'm going to go long, but I'm going to give myself probably like a 50 to 75 point stop though. It's 1 micro, so I'm risking, I don't know, what, like $100 or whatever. But if this thing sends, then I can make 200 or 300. So that's the way I'm kind of looking at it. Nice kill count, Valdez. That's, you caught this. This is gonna be nice. This is gonna be nice. This is gonna be nice. You in 1 mini? I told you we had to break. We closed above that area and that we was gonna come back down one more time. We got to. But this is an area, well, we got a couple areas where we could bounce. But yeah, we're coming back down one more time. And then if this thing is gonna go, it's gonna go here. That was a good getting out. Like we're not coming back up. If we break that low, oh, look at the selling, and it's increasing too. Yeah, we're coming down. We're coming down, down. Yeah, these 5-minute candles. Yeesh. Nope, there it is. There it is. That increase is selling on the way down. We popped up one time. Oh, wait. No, we didn't. Did we sweep? No, I don't think we. Oh yeah, we did sweep. That was interesting. We got a sweep of liquidity there. Oh, we tapped into where I was looking to get long though. Oh, profit target got hit, but I would have had to sit through a lot of pain. But we did end up hitting the midpoint of this box right here. And that was that last exhaustive move to the downside. Like I was looking for that exhaustive move to the upside. I think this might have been that last exhaustive move to the downside before we pick back up and go. Let's see what happens here. I'm liking the 5-minute. We're losing that steam. Don't really like the candle we're getting though. Oh, yep. The tape looks good though. Might have trapped some late sellers that tried to really get us to go. How much is a 70-point stop? Like $140 on 1 micro. Yeah. I would honestly risk my entire day profits, which actually that would almost be my entire day profits to go long on this NVIDIA news. I really don't care. Like it really doesn't matter. I think NVIDIA has the legs to potentially go, and like if this thing sends like 100 points and I at least catch like, I don't know, 70, 80 points of it, I'd be happy. Yeah, I really like this music right here. I really like it. I really like it a lot. It's looking like a good long. I like your long. We just got the sweep. We just got the sweep there. We got a really exhaustive move to the downside. Yeah, that sweep and the amount of selling was gross. That's good. Damn near every one of my trades has been break even today. Every one of my trades. The only thing, like, if I had enough room to play 2 minis, I think I feel more comfortable playing minis today. But the fact that the moves have been so short, I would much rather get about like 20 points, secure some profit, and then just let the last one ride. If we were getting cleaner moves, I wouldn't have a problem playing a mini right now. But here comes the retest of that low. Honestly, we weren't able to break the previous high either. Oh, this movement has been trash. Yeah, today's been a tough day because it was just, I mean, the market rallied from the low like probably about 60 points and has now dumped more than half of that. Let's see. Yeah, 63 points. And now we've dumped 40 points. So we've given basically all the gains back. And we continue to make these I mean, here's a lower high there. Here's a higher low. So, I mean, really, in the grand scheme of things, this is all we've done. I personally think these lows are protected. I personally think that I think this low of the day is not going to get broken because I think every time we come up, institutions are selling at the high, coming back down, reloading down here. And we're just, I mean, you can see, if you look at the 5 minute, we're literally just squeezing on price. Like, price is just squeezing right now at this low. This could potentially be a bear flag. It could go lower. I don't know. But I think we're just in this range. We're squeezing down here, and we could potentially find ourselves going up higher at some point. So this is the range. I just don't think we're going to break the low today. I think the market wants up eventually. Yeah, NVDA. After market close, so sometime around 4, it'll get volatile. Like, let's check NVDA. Matter of fact, let's see what NVIDIA is up to. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm all right, bro. Okay. I feel you. I feel you for sure. Yeah, and then it gets worse. I feel you. All right, bro. Yeah, that sounds good. Nah, I don't blame you. Like, I still think the market wants up. That's just me. Well, you gotta, like, the market conditions are not favorable for a big move today either. Not currently. We got at 2:00, we got FOMC. I'll probably be back at 2, honestly. I'll probably be back in the Discord at 2. Like, when FOMC rolls around, I want to see what happens then. And then I'll just be messing around until I get an entry for NVIDIA. It's probably gonna be my plan. All right, bro. Yeah, we're back where we consolidated, but this should be where bulls want to re-enter into the market. Should be, but we'll see. I'm starting to see sellers slow down here a little bit. If you look at the tape, you can see all the big bubbles, and now we have one big bubble come down, and now we've come back down for another time, and there's been a mean lack of selling. So I think we want to come back up potentially, but we will see. Definitely range rules here. I'm probably gonna stick around for about another 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna get off live, just so you guys know. And then I'll be back at 2:00 for the Discord, because I'll probably be back around like 1:30. So, and then SB, I'll look into the latency. Matter of fact, I'll do it right now while price isn't doing much. It looks like we might want to push back up here though. I'm liking these wicks. We're slowing down on the 5 minute, so definitely potentially could be wanting to push back up. Yeah, there was a lack of selling at this low. We came back down, tested one more time. More lack of selling there. All right, let me go into one of the other live streams that I got. I also have to make a video today too. I'll probably start working on the details. ES ain't been doing nothing. ES literally, I think ES is in maybe like a 10-point range today. Let's see. Language, recording, location, license. Mixing. I don't see I don't see latency anywhere. Concepts, chapters, paper motion. All right, let me check the. There's a message delay. Copyright. Yeah, I don't see anything about latency. I don't know. I guess I'll have to look into it. Let's see. It might be on StreamYard. Yeah, we're just in a we're pulling up into another range here. Yeah, I think the latency thing is based off of StreamYard. I don't think I can mess with it because I'm not streaming directly off of YouTube. So no, we do. No, so the software that we use, or I guess it's not really software, but it's so we use StreamYard to stream. Like that's where that's the programmer. It's a website. So like you can hit like go live on YouTube and you can stream directly off YouTube and you can change the latency there. But I don't know if I can change it on actual StreamYard. That I don't know. Landscape shift. Because what ends up happening for people is the stream gets delayed. So, you know, whatever I say, they don't hear it for another, like, I don't know, probably like 30 seconds. 30, maybe it's a little bit worse. I don't know. Yvonne says, oh my God. One break even, one loss, exhausted. Yeah, this price action is exhausting. That's why I'm putting the controller down for now. Even though the market just, oh my God, we're ripping right here. Oh, and we touched this little blue box right here, funny enough. But yeah, I'm putting the controller down for right now. I took some good trades. I'm up almost $200 in the day on my F around account. We just haven't gotten any continuation to either direction. And now we're breaking structure here, which is good. Let me see. We probably broke structure on the lower. Yeah, we did. We never came back though. It's just like a falling wedge. I don't know. It's been a really tricky day. I've been trading since open too. I took some open trades that were horrendous. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bro, I lost 3 longs there. I was up $200 and then I lost all my money taking those longs and then I got it all back, but yeah. I mean, we're just in this range. Like it's just unless you're long, like this would have been a good long. I didn't mind taking this long. The short is somewhere in this area. If we're gonna go higher, we need to break this high and then take out this high. And this high is coming off a pre-market high as well, or a pre-market, not a pre-market high, but a pre-market high in the pre-market. So I'm just. It looks like we're coming back up. I really didn't have a reason to take this long. I would have missed this anyway. So, yeah, it's been a really difficult day, that's for sure. And it's only going to get more difficult with FOMC. Is NVIDIA dumping? Oh yeah, NVIDIA's trying to take another tumble down. But even NVIDIA's been in a range. Like, I mean, look at NVIDIA's range is what? $10, maybe. Yeah, 10, 11 bucks, 12 bucks. That's not bad. Gotcha. Yeah, I just think overall the market wants to go up higher. I just think the NVIDIA push is going to be disgusting. It's just a matter of when. Because again, every single time we come down to the lows, we get protected. Protected. The market has yet to break the previous low that it's put in off of the push, right? Like we made a massive push, protected. Massive push, protected. Now again, trying to make another push, but for this push to work, we got to break above this high, like, or else, I mean, we're just going to continue to range. So I'm going to take this off. My 1 minute is really messy, but my 5 minutes pretty clean though. On the 5 minute, I want to see if we reject this trend line, because we've been holding on to these trend lines pretty nice. So see if we reject the trend line somewhere like 515-ish. I probably won't look to trade it, but just to see what we do. It's just been one of those days. Yeah, we got a speaker, I believe, at noon. Let me check. Why does this keep doing this to me? What's keep going back? Oh no, it's at 1. So there's Fed Bowman that speaks at 1. Then the minutes come out at 2, and then at 4 is sometime around 4 is when NVIDIA releases the earnings. So that's what we're working with. Yeah, 2 p.m. EST, Dominic. Yeah, FOMC. Yep. Yeah, I have no interest in trading the FOMC meeting minutes. I don't want it. You all over it? Yep. Damn right I'm all over. I gotta be all over. I gotta know when not to trade. That's to me, FOMC is a time not to trade. If Powell's not speaking, I ain't trading FOMC, because all we're gonna get some crazy candle to the upside or downside, probably some sweeps, and that's it. Like I don't need all that in my life. I'll wait until the true news comes out. And that's NVIDIA, because that's what the market's truly waiting on. The market don't care about the minutes. They already know what's in the minutes, right? Like we already got the speech from last time. The minutes are just more of like, people look at the minutes to see if Powell missed anything that, you know, is important, but most of the time he didn't. Most of the time he said everything that's in those minutes. So I wouldn't worry about the minutes so much. I'd be more to be completely honest, the two things I'd be most concerned about is 1 o'clock when Bowman speaks, because traders are going to try to see what he says, and I guarantee, I don't want to say guarantee, there's a high likelihood there's probably going to be some type of volatility in that. And then after that, you're definitely going to see FOMC volatility. I don't care about that. But the NVIDIA volatility is going to be nuts. I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm about to trade 1 micro without a stop loss. Let's put it that way. Oh, I'm going long, and I'm going to risk like $200. I'm going to risk like between 70 and 100 points to go long on NVIDIA earnings. No, 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 oh no. What I did was I forgot to take off my order. No. Yeah, I forgot to take off my order in the pre-market or in the post-market or overnight session. It hit my order and then proceeded to dump, and I was up like $3,000. That's what happened. Complete total accident. And that's how one of my accounts got funded. But I haven't traded that account yet though. But yeah. It was a very good accident. Here we go, pushing up above this high, this previous high. And now we got to just push up above 518, but I'm looking for like 515 to potentially reject. And for us to continue to stay in this like flag, wedge, whatever you want to call it, this pattern, this range. I'm looking for us to stay here. I don't want the market to come out of this, but we'll see. Yeah. I think the market wants to stay in this range and just consolidate until about 1 or 2, and then it'll make a move. And to be honest, I think the FOMC move might be down. I think FOMC sold off the market last time, did it not? Did we sell off for FOMC? It would make sense. Let me check when the last FOMC was. Yeah. Oh, did your sim hit the your profit target for that long? Oh, it's trails. Okay. Gotcha. Doesn't your indicator base everything off of double bottoms though, or is this a different one? Gotcha. Oh dang. Yeah, I like the footprints. I'm definitely gonna get a footprint chart at some point in time. But I'm reading the tape pretty well right now as well. And yeah, this could be a short. I wouldn't be looking to long the market up here. I'll put it to you like that. But there is, oh, never mind, they took it off. There was like 200 orders sitting below us at 495. But yeah, I think they just spoofed it. So the market probably wants to come down. I said we're in a range, so I mean we're at the top of the range now. I'd be looking for shorts if I was going to short this market. I'm just kind of done trying to trade right now. I just don't have any interest in it. Not to say that it couldn't work, but it looks like we're about to put in that head and shoulders right here potentially. So we'll see. The market's consolidating. Oh, you took it short? Oh. Yeah, if I was trying to short it, I'd have been trying to short it right there. Right when we just dropped from 510 to 508, this is where I'd be looking to try to short the market. Yep, selling starting to increase. There's a lot of selling going on, but we need to break. This has to pop or we're going to go up. Or we're just consolidating to go higher. Yeah, it's tough up here. Because what I'm seeing on the tape is potential selling absorption. But if this pops down and we break the low, then we'll be good. But sellers aren't being rewarded, and they're trying. There's a lot of selling going on. These bubbles are big. But here, we're trying to come down. Yeah, you want to see the sell prints, but the sell prints don't matter if we don't continue to sell. Like, after that person. And that's the big thing, but we're coming. It looks like we're coming down. They're trying to sell this now. Yeah, here it comes. was nice. That was a nice structure. We almost got to where I was looking. We almost were there. We were almost there. But now we got to break down below VWAP. Got to break down below VWAP. Let's see what happens. Yeah, the 5 minute looks good. The 5 minute, there's the head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder, drop. It just repeats all the time, man. Like that's the one thing. If you can identify an area and then just wait for the pattern, I told you I would have got in at 08, which would have been, I mean, I would have only had to risk, let's see here. Granted, I don't know if it's going to work out or not, but short. Take this magnet off. I would have shorted this at like right about here. I would have risked the high, so I'd have been risking like 5 points. So that'd have been like, I don't know, $50. So I'll probably be looking to come. I'll probably be looking for this. This would have been my short right here. If I would have actually taken it, this would have been it. I literally said what my entry would have been. I didn't take it, but that would have been where my entry would have been. So let's see if it hits my profit target. I'll stay and see if this hits my profit target, and then if it hits, then I'm out. Yeah, this is an area where we could potentially bounce here. There's some buying that happened. So this would be an area to potentially scale out, which I think I'd already be, yeah, that's 14 points right there. That's already more than a 2-to-1 from what I've been risking, but let's see if it hits my area down here. See if we pop back down. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Yeah, we're coming down. Come on, go, go, go. Get down, get down, get down, get down. Look at this selling volume coming into the market. Jesus. Oh, yep. Okay, so we just touched 92. I'd be a little bit worried about a bounce here since we just touched the bottom of this low. And we got this volume came back up. So we might get one more test to the downside. If we can't break the low here, then we're probably going to come back up. Well, you could, but like the one thing you could do, like, okay, so as this thing is looking like it's going to come down. So what I would do is I'd be looking at this volume at the bottom, right? And as long as the volume is increasing and we're getting stronger to the downside, then there's no real reason to sell your position. Instead, you can just start to trail it so that you know you're securing profit. Because if you would have sold at 10, well, now you're giving up another 8 points, right? And I know like you have a pretty high win rate, which profit target smash, and we're coming lower. But as you trail, you're just securing more so you can lose more, right? Because if this is a 3-to-1 risk reward, almost 4-to-1, right? And we're still coming down lower, we might end up coming down here. But even at this 6-to-1, right? If I'm always risking 5 points, I can lose 6 trades and win 1 trade, and it equals out to break even. You know what I mean? That's why to me risk reward is important. Like having a high win rate is cool too. Like obviously I want to win more than I lose, but if I lose a lot, but I'm hitting like 30-point bangers and I'm only taking 5-point losses, this is a no-brainer trade for me, right? Like I'm taking this every single time. I didn't take this one. I could have. I called it out. I said exactly where I'm getting short. I would have got short right there. I'd have experienced a little bit of drawdown. I'd have been in this. I don't know. I just didn't want to take it, which is cool. Like I no longer care if I miss trades because I caught this trade, which was my best trade on the day so far. But yeah, I mean this is a banger trade right now. And like SB said, he said, "Yep, time to get short." And I thought it was time to get short too. I just didn't take it. It's all good. Whatever. Could have taken it though. Hopefully y'all ate off that because I definitely called it before it happened. I said exactly where I would have got short. Of course, I guess it was like 2 minutes delayed. Look at this. This is a 30-point banger, and we're still coming down. We could come back down to test this low right here. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh, here it comes. Damn. Okay. Now I'm regretting it a little bit. I'm playing. I don't regret it. But see how you could have caught more points? You would have taken 10 and you'd have been so mad that you missed all 40. and the market never pulled back. We never broke, even with this candle right here, this 1 minute candle, we never broke above it, right? You could put your stop at 48 and then just every single candle close. Well, maybe not candle close, but you could have put it down there and look at us. We're coming right back down. My God. Yeah, I mean, I still think this lowest is safe, but maybe not because we keep making lower highs. So, maybe we come back and break it. I don't know. Smiley face. But anyway, y'all, I've been streaming for 3 hours now. It's noon o'clock. I am hungry. I'm gonna get some food, so I am getting out of here. I appreciate each and every single one of y'all for stopping by. If you're new, please make sure you hit that subscribe button because Hobbs and I are on the channel every day, Monday through Friday, from 9 a.m. EST till about noon to about 1 o'clock, sometimes longer depending on what's going on with the news and everything. Looks like I'm about to be wrong. Looks like we're about to break this low. Thank you, Lou F. I appreciate each and every one of y'all, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Stay safe out there, and let's go NVIDIA.